your friend Sam Joseph Peseiro. Na Adeba Konesem. Mekaipa womani adwuma ne ma pesero se omaye coach no wonim sam starting nkoye na bi ma hyase kasa ana omo bom ho na ana anka general akraye ana fine kosi hin na densa na adeba kono sa womo ba tournament no come first game kosen anhye nkosa de na Nigeria ensom asipan na so nyina chi no ana omadu semifinal omo start edin come say Nigeria ensom abetumi age ananura yebisa a coach and say, we must start to coaching career ama Nigeria. Anya smooth ama and wati moko tournament na kasa mo first game and kose de mo sipa na yi ade na asesa ana saying ana so hunyo ma Joseph Peseiro enra abo post match akas.
This result Zimbabwe was bad. The first match you create a lot of opportunity and suffer on goal and draw. Against Zimbabwe, I don't speak about that because I think we didn't deserve to beat Zimbabwe, but something didn't come right in some moment. Of course, no one player can disconnect the ship in 2 days from the leadership in the club, the model in the club, different structure in the club, different set piece in the club, different, and you play 2 days to practice and more on practice. Every other teams, of course, not only us. But in that moment, for us, was worse. Play 16 and 19.
Yes, I know I can't free coach at Fanasa Joseph Peseiro. I swear to Bana Chasobaso Chasa, Wabrom the appointment, man, Obabano, I did just Oba when they away, way and they away, I'm a Sanyo man in a fay, and a Obafufra, Wababa streamlining your man Kakran say, and no some bet me a fanafe, and your man some bet me a kokama, and watch and man of the match award winner I Fanasa Moses Simon essay, Yaman to just say, near Tia Basan no and a J man of the match award. Our Sam match and the was the most important and the one Nigeria and your almost points at the common our brandy woman some renew almost game and Bakuko Busana say I said you started tournament way I brought himself Victor Simen was it just one goal and raw Nanka Obanyana second and a Kobasa Godfrey and so a run outside at your outside Nayabiana saying and a mood to know and some city our camp ABM saying and some Anna Jesse Victor Simen esifanium ehano anasa hano anwa say Osimen onyo bia wadwin goal our besha ho je Victor Simen adwen and say ebia Nigeria abekuna nim emfo and nipa also go ama super green against of Nigeria de here no and some other say Nigeria and so about qualified and almost Simon I say the most important thing at the Osimen and say Nigeria ever progressive and also ekasai.
Actually the mood is very good in the camp. Likewise, everyone. We don't even think about this, and I believe even him, he don't think about scoring. He think about victory. If he have the opportunity, he will score. But if he have the opportunity once again, he still give the pass. But the important thing I can say is we just want to win. We don't care who score, who don't score.
Yes, I know I am some branch at Fanasa Moses Simon, and I would test your daily excepts Emma your for and Anopay, and so I was shown also live our brown something you know, your day and no answer at Deba. Now, my main front two when him say, well, broke Cobas and Moses Simon, ye or no some Adiano, when him says, DRC Emma from a go down, and so I qualify and ra. Now, the attendance 1968 and so much 1974 DRC and so J. Now, I'm open the last timer, I Cobas DR Conquer qualifier and some other quarter semifinals and also I 2015 and no one more toss me as a fee and for the first time since 2015 Yababanya DRC Amanu Brene woman some qualifier quarter semifinals and no else I update to Abena AFCON amateurs about was our bra 1-2 games Abasono Jetia and some other say Amaya your friend Mali Omani Ivory Coast game and some other coso our bra Costa de la Pie and make 2000 Mali and Ivory Coast no one game Abaso and what Cabo Verde and some bomb game no our star Charles Conan Benny and no a game against Bafana of South Africa our black Cabo Verde and some other South Africa no and so Anababo Amiesha and Wasedie Nature so my friends South Africa one training session and some Abasunum sa Wabra South Africa team 20 and one one some Ashasa Kwambiaso one some betum ya qualify na adeba koso ane say Cabo Verde for no so hware say since some call semi-final 2000 achesa no aye bafana mom womo ko aye since 2000 no womo ntimi enkonko drew aye semi-final ensom abiem e wa brand South Africa team no womo som atwa so betum ya qualify and what Cabo Verde ensom ayo man achesa for the first time ever afi ana Cape Verde ensom ahware mu say womo som abe qualify ya semi-final enra na chese Cape Verde Damrantano womo som training session and yate and some cosmom mame fanto when him say ahead of an game abaso ana Tapelo Morena enra and some akasaka kana yebisa Tapelo asa bama mobody a chia Cabo Verde obi aso homotompa womo som aba anyabia no sen ana musia kom awasa match womo musuro ana sesena bafana and some akosa match no Tapelo Morena akasai.
I think it's one of the difficult games also we're gonna play, and to be honest, for me I think if we put our minds right and we go the way we've been going, especially against Morocco, we definitely can grind and grab something. And we saw the videos that they are very physical. They run. When they get chances, they convert. So it's something that we must also try and do that when we get our chances. We finish.
Yes, not just say, and no, I can't free AFCON at the power Prabetanasia. Yabesham na Shadra coming in and Tenso and Rum. I watch Chessa Hong Kong, Hong Kong, dia. Yanim Sao and a Bobo Crab Fanasa in Miami. One more tour, almost presses and a swinging in himself. One more Basin trouble called Saudi Arabia and Ria. Emma Chessa match a crying to Miami for Koboya. Not see Ronaldo at Royal Box. I'm on the tag Mesansa. Not on your free training in Miami. And some Ajema Kumaku 6 ago. Now the ocean say and some our screens I the street of fire Hong Kong. Now report to me and say Hong Kong hono yes baby abefabia Elio Messi but bia befabia Elio Messi na chese woman deny Delco Street in Muniate I just will be a Elio Messi fangini and some ade juma na adeba kukwe someone na homachia and also a shock here and so them sa fedie a graduate at your free say ya Elio Messi a pictures no at decorate a town. I'm about to so obi car we use also man force Lamborghini masa Lamborghini nyankwa car I don't know prumba kwana samza wo 4 gallons bi ya de baba sele twamako Lamborghini nie na pink color na elkono wonim say number plate no nipa na Adelio Messi edina number plate enti car na nipa na kasa to private car no ana wakose yama number plate aye Messi edinti shark wo de we video ba ma me picture na ye zoom aye number plate no and some about canon na ha say yes height way aye Messi 10 I just say nipa kasa de car anya Messi dia o nipa no just wo defo a wonom ete Hong Kong ana just what one kasa nka bi aya mo committee yi na manyes ka jeme lambo me de fa he so am kwan yi na say bi aye va be bo de you say bi aye come aye wan kasa kwan man sana what we asu ka bi ati say na me customize me number na me dia bi a Messi 10 abekwa ni mo enti nipa no ana cheso no some customize here and no some update about Freddie love for send aha ana said emsa how famous all your messinum ayano and no some aquacotro na onum se na no match about so na your fan speed banisa YouTube on so agility no yes man for be say what we tell about speed across pente night I was see Ronaldo and some afie say omo my time at speed and Ronaldo aba your friend Ronaldo Junior and some atia kunyamua na chasa speed no one some okos pente aye 19 Ronaldo and some a few omunie na yeso mu gidi pasa wa film aye Ronaldo abana your friend Ronaldo Junior na enchabiano one some adesanyo manasa video no and some ababa bonta onsanyo obia na betimi abia wopono and some adaman ewo fie na speedway ayo biamsa Ronaldo oyadane pa and watching the banana kasa some ayadano one also see Ronaldo from any identity yes wa kwago shooty ewa brother men second nyina no say enchabiano one some video clip no and some ababa bonta onim say ye ka Ronaldo anilio Messi asama akoda ba kwa na so odin ay Alejandro Garnacho wukom ay Argentina so a ye wo man ba ko si akan e Argentina e man national team he de Messi be bia anyo mo fe Wamodi omo say that's Ronaldo na ya Di Maria Bekabis ai sankono ano ye Garnacho anka wo hye gola wonya de Argentina ni ba be e na Argentina ni ba enya ai sa obe celebrate siu na ne be ha Ronaldo fo amfa Di Maria ho nche ba ko say na jaminya no say akona na ya mebeka na asem cho say wo motonom agina kotuva ye fan Carlos Alcaraz no shark adene mamia report amenya no so weekend some our big game about na ebetimi abase game against Inter Milan Carlos Alcaraz ebe available where Argentina ni just one and some aya striker yabusa Alcaraz Argentina ni say one where akoda ye won nge just onyi bani nyina no ha ono Ronaldo danakoma so Ronaldo and the greatest inspiration Ronaldo and the role model our jiri abase nei want to me say Ronaldo and some fan komobi one so Argentina ni oso masa mese me yakwada me nyine bani nyina no ayesi ro ono ana chesa probiano na wo hwe no som anso ade ya ne nioma wo diri e ba si Ronaldo and some inspiration adama ono akwada na ya fa ne Carlos Alcaraz awa brame no kasai am say Leo Messi Argentina for no share no mo shinigu kwadanka wo mo ba wo yesi no katinum na chese Apostle Jeffrey Asarenom ya na duma bia na akwa bibia ho because wo ya anybody so Ronaldo na washama no na oba no crowd ono Ronaldo tattoo nyina that stress wo ha wo salad na ha ti sana ke no ensom asia kwakwaya ye de update ni nyina no ensom adema ye chefa enano pai ensom awo show no so na enro de tell say wo mo matches ensom abas onim sa bebao akokobo omo game na ajeba kono say eno our sama mess omo gamer eno so aba so mo share 4 ema mayoka fo no antimi ante eno ajuru bachichi ajeba ko ehunu say we defender obo number 3 lateral defender eno on a share first goal juru bachichi esa to aso enso asamba second goal a chese no defender no eno na jori na chese ene dia ansa na bronte na ye fan Gorka Guruzeta enso abodi ye to so me yensa e kam 9 enso de ba ko and some munai way me can maybe a chamber 4-5 seasons ago bra said the Manchester United sia tata koda we no what can say moko for under Herrera and the free beba e buy moko for ikamunai e duru ba bi no na man for him say be boy na ababa na mom wa mam oda so beba e be sin na me no kasete highlight ni bi ana chese wo enjoy and some our TV no so our brand no pay no ya de update ni na de man adeba kono say onim sam anu no Inaki Williams akoko pry na Inaki Williams also plan report to America and so amu semi-final of Copa del Rey abo womedi kan kwawe ansana Sam Mameso omaba bo return like enra wonum say game about so no womo some Inaki akoko pry na ukwa aye bench on ma William brothers ni mianu nyina na enra na chese Inaki ensom an Nico Williams mo amonso akwa na bench chese Inaki utum say wanyinya nanim adena kwani dedem a chese no pura na adeba kono se enra wo wunya chance ahwe sa match ne bibia no awsam enra na chese play so musia kama be bawo wo bia ade green ade abo nensa na sa bracelet aye green na wo mo som ade abo mo sa ba kunie anso hwe nensa bankum na wo de bibi green ade abo ade players no so ba obo se enra bibi green abo mo nyina nsa jemi nyansa weekend ya no Yes, celebrity near your cancer, a World Cancer Day. And to wait and some supporter, be bow, players and ra. Wamusum show idea support a your patience. Wamus anya ya dear friends a cancer. Ya the bonnet park seba no and to be bow a players no and some at the way by Serabea. Wamusum at the show support at Yama Jumedia and no some abacos sack mamma and Tema. Wamu pombo omasha 4. Some mames ominous game Copa de Rey. Semifinal first leg away. Nam omo supporters no e kokobo omo nsam atia ne mpo omo tonum aye dede ene sane omo nyina no eno som abaso eno ayemfa kakra hit ne kakra na fe we ye sam mames eno abra wo mo hye 4 ema ma joka entibi be ba o tim ni nie. Yes, indeed. We I said here and na euphoria in our stadium. City dead and in body at the Yamian say and when the Patom Airbar Stadium no now omoya 47,061 Anachasanra. Wamosum Aberas Aponi be ano and so I update Airbar on something no yet the MH for onum Samano Kasai. Wamubusa Jago Simeon is openi. Yes, one will be our own time sir. Now me kai the last time I measure ball. I'm a Mount Atletico omo manager. Your friend said Diego Pablo Simeone. Yes, you bono run esre. And then once I'm trying to back up say, yes, so Debia Wamuna, Mr. Muna. Na Anyabiano. I didn't know yes, I was here. O Pabra Fie. Na Ebusano. Na the wife cried to me Busan the last time the wife fee. Ebusan said to Padian Pano, we are away a money. One who cried out ban on the deck Bacoso and Pabacoso Soriano Pabiano. Also a Banner Busan say, Mura, and to dear Pan, we are so we are whoa. And money. And was so on the GCB or Pom Babeda. Because I don't know what the damn password with Timmy Kakra and no pay a bobola huna womuna, and we are a bobola womuna, how much a bobola womuna to know what the rack them no damn password and the matches was say so also boobe. Aha, they say, who's and password your massa? Because wife in your senior with Jaddy up on 90 come a massa. Oh shit, Siramupa, Dawana, oh massa. It was one of bump password and I just am to me fast Syria. Now, apart from Honor Jabba Bilbo Cobiano, I am Muna Achase, so Janica Chose be serious. One catch was some Muna Babos, so Janica serious, but now come the moon just Muna Kusu, and no Nadia Kakra, and no some Fruoteba. Now, Mamma Ronald Araujo, Ayobia, and no pena whom sir, yes, the partner, and some Aquaco Afan Wafaneba. Now, Obanum, Mamma front to him, sir, Jafrano Abi Oliveira. Na Albi Oliveira and so Yamia Dom and some Aqua was when Yankopon Suano, Jamesa Canasa Cotano, your friend Adara. Into Adara and Albano Massa, Akurana ba and now my chindia was a ball I'm boy. We on your men come at say, when we any wife feel I'm about Tosumi, I just send a message, and some I very simple will say, one more my daughter and also Aquaba, I just Ronald Araujo and the Abi Oliveira say, Adara, one woman Aquaba and some Adiabasa so. Now Adiba Kwame second say, Araujo make an answer on him, sir, medical about to that, maybe a James Bamunchin, and your set Mebekasa Manchester United and some Ronald Araujo. Woman so about someone in a Juma. Na Araujo no, yes, it Basa for the same. Woman, they just a summer the transfer market. No, so woman transfer books now bar. Oh, dear, Omania crowd by 100 million euros. I was so many who price tag me, shame pa. Yes, a Basa for say, woman of some say, I'm also Muniska, and a no more dandy, I'm a Basa. And to way I acquire, woman for some other chatters, said a bear, woman some about me at Omoka, and Akurana price tiger, woman some other bonosono, and so I 100 million euros. I know I price tag done so buying a bar 100 Premier League Manchester I'm also bar and also I 100 I just know I update to Abba on some for me and some soja Gumuse and Kabayan Comonsha Nankayemfa I bribery charges and FC Barcelona I know and Guerrera a buyer the moment I bet you charges about I just know I bribery Nas a criminal offense. Nelson, you said your mensa can say anti-corruption prosecutors no and Okom officers are. Yes, Omodi Abasa, Yadesa and a grand time. Now we're referee at the matches no or you'll be on your public official. So are your public official at the and I bet you this have bribery charges no and some minimum and now you can say on your public official into no what the boy are your boss Sabia and you may cause to NHS and come out. You didn't that ever seen anything no and no some are bribery charges and answer a criminal offense and now they say no ye chess and also kakra a free omaswa deba report and some there's a bonsa one came abasono said the attorney goalkeeper no abeko so maintaining the possession and so I will post in the no matter for so abeko apili esansa what yellow ya flag offside and to say flag offside there nani atwasem ani kwase yellow ni agina demenya no say competition committee wo mo se nyamo ana mo betro mo say also mo adwuma no and so asiko enti yellow no ebegina de echa wo say nyame yar mo chena wa bra Madrid derby abaso Real Madrid and Bobokua ya fans are let to come out at Albono and yes, Akotana, your fan Shuameni, and some about me up. Now, reminded for no one more imagine saying. And Kamobasa can be also Akadana, your friend, sir, Antonio Rudiger, and some other body people. Now, Rudiger, you know, say, I send a sereno, no problem. On Sanra, make a choice almost in your pra, a yes, serious lemon. Yardy a quality day them a run is zigging in the second massa. One what yao pow but be yes what yao pa na yes a crown o movia yanam anything kakra no report to me second now so and say on the sum of force na Antonio Rudiger can so fool say said no me back as went to me ama a natural and I fallen Mendy and about central defense no and yeah tokro de be double said the Morata and Memphis Depay and to Grace Mamonia form Mubeya natural and I fallen Mendy our central defense amasa a DNA any Bible party yes Rudiger can be also will force him and so the boss gamer and no other so said be a own seminal and also about me up Real Madrid first one bomb so almost say at the end I know me best story man the catch will say it's son I Chelsea in 70 I also more homegrown players now I'm raising around £100 million said a bear one bet I'm bet me as well I have financial fair play yes matter for any Gibraltar now say Robert can say Momenton Rhys James now support to see Diatom and that say Rhys James homegrown auntie said I'm beton kono galaganum NHS coil with numerous boys no mombaton e jene moton de omunie wo mo pe enti £100 million and was a Chelsea e raise Eddie free ayo boy no ni sales ni mu e wa bra no tina ma Real Madrid and some our GDS and atom life so e wa bra boy ni Chelsea beton kwande I was Real Madrid and so etimi fa Manchester am striker am ka some pen Brand Robbie wonim so na J I divisi am player of the month award at the city now so when you from brutal Brian Brobe Masatara guess one ope I'm a Geminian Sakota or no and I read VC our Netherlands some league anymore what gem I'm a player of the month award that you're seeing now so and no I update to Eba on some no yet the Emmy job for an anno pay and some I was shown so my man found to him say I want near can say Germany and what Dortmund about 0-0 now Kufu pass say you see from one share chiro see and church mo ya boni na kwaku anansia wodi wiase nyina nyansa kuku kom dia bona fuso ade fruit ya kwaku fade bo wachi to kwanto ba pai oso jamene bo wachi baba bayi wodi bona fufu dia gbai na chese wiase nyansa nyina ba ma asa pai na pete na chese ei and what Dortmund kobo ahwe nyame no bo 0-0 kama menim say no poko go kwa na watch you Vongafra adwuma na di owura bu say o say adwuma na denchen wire and what Dortmund kobo goalless draw na tiem am coach your fan Adentesic was he want to just say enra so munya 3 points kwa na common deserve was 1 point no hey almost so ano mo point ano mo nya enro no team of parity here na nya bad na some ogidi about some modern pan dear na nya de say ebetimi other points no and some ama club and fans at Dortmund and no I update about Harry Kane Makacho say Lewandowski record wa breaki say 23 goals no season so far. Hurricane at the back so nepe na chese Oluka 20 also record benya ye ka ebia player bia ono ashtimi asha aye goals dodo wa bro o making the debut our season mo se bia the first season Bundesliga na o she goals no mo Luka 20 akọ 24 and Hurricane back so pe na chese wa equal and aye 2007 recorder Luka 20 also yeah nay Hurricane Ashram se can be asono one of some betimi equal now Thomas Muller we're winning 499 games and then omunya win per na chese team Muller so the win no eba makoma 500 report to me say can say one and about the first ever player I'll bet me I reach a milestone way player BN one I win number 500 and they Thomas Muller omunya winner one of some bet me area so na Joshua Kimmich ayobia Basa for some catch on the so mope some no kwana me cast coach no so pe but o man farmer no and na me no kasain Jeminya no say transfer market no bia afa na man for ba be mo financial muscle yes Pep Guardiola say one boy na ya dwuma da Kimmich etimi bo 2 eduru da here dem Kimmich etimi bo 6 etimi kona nim aside the goals o kai say Pep no no touch go yes Man City atwo muti and what you bounce other swam dada Manchester United and so and Liverpool and some Pentisana Diano and some Abesiako now Pep Guardiola among for Kobus and CSC and Central for Spain okay somebody come and now breaking news as Ellen Haaland what did you say Woko Madrid and now bet me JAB FIFA best and the Ballon d'Or na deba ko twana war and say nanu ya one of the manager nyina record na yabo manager of the year Pep Guardiola near buy some pra no afro simpia no abeje adu player of the year now we are in the young quenim to Leo Messi we are seeing who and much as a boy no agide ba so wanko ho and fama no media bro data yes we must start a report to Ellen Haaland and you happy with new man course so say Florentino Perez and Madrid aje trouble na manager Ancelotti aje manager of the season na be catch am say with the player of the season kwa come Messi and I referee look at Madrid 2018 and yes new man course no boy no asum afu some Man City and fight ye amano ye be say Pep say and some for no so ba no na ninjo was say be omo nanim ye de atia anim he e be omo nim ade be aye nim na mom boy no abekos we stay what that's why Man City a branch here abekos we born ball at the Man City Pep on Ellen Haaland.
I don't know, you have to ask the media for Madrid if they are happy. So maybe they have more info than we have. I don't have that, we don't have that feeling that he's unhappy. It was because he could not play, it was a 2-month injury. But yeah, maybe the media from Spain, especially Madrid, they have more information than us. We cannot say he didn't adapt quick and he was not, he was not fine since arrive. So it's just the level he showed since the day one arrived. So we cannot control like.
Well, I know again some manager fanasa Pep Guardiola I wanna kwadano ho and I would tell say what then some to dwa won him say wa bra akoba say kobi main starting so pejai one day Manchester United player of the month for January award no at the ama kwadano fanasa kobi main na ne sika some yeso so pejam because omatin koba bi say clubs ni bi our Premier League ni ma wo munya kobi main wo omope na yaba clubs ni bi o Premier League ma so oni tua bra ba ko de onu de obenya bia wo pe wono onya boy we be City mfifi wa ebia from bench de bank kakran no so see ya fel for de nom ani Cole Palmer nom no sana omo so be so mo yakoda to mo ntra ho em obi nto na akokwa be de nkonkoma ne kura e wa bra 26 December obeku akokwa awi abeku aponche awi enti kobi main sika sam no Manchester for be so omo ye said be a boy no wo so betimi offend off a beer and no some ababa akoda no ho na German can say Arsenal a manager on a branch sir Thomas Partey and manager na be Premier Conference me no say na internet so amanfo twa bi ba na o se Partey no sabi onya doctor but you betimi a kirem and say na no ya Thomas Partey sansafa setback na setback a Partey safa no ha dwenye se no mo pen but sana ba
for weeks we will see, but he had a little thing. He played and trained with us the whole week, and with Thomas, unfortunately, we had a little setback. a few days ago, so he's not going to be available to be in the squad. Whether it's a matter of days or weeks, we will see. But he had a little thing, doctor, but I can try.
I know I can't free or Ryan Fanasa, Mikel Arteta, swear, and so I tell Ben what you Busanas, I want in Liverpool, and so Anna Elba sign a Liverpool game, no, and also Bessia call our Brenano Peno, yet the update training at Mikel Arteta on Liverpool.
Be in the squad, yes, and we have done it this season. We have beat big teams already, and it's another opportunity to beat Liverpool now and be in a much better place. And we talk about momentum, and we won the last 2 games. I want to win the third one, especially at home with our people. It's going to be an incredible atmosphere, and we're going to need that. So I encourage everybody to do that, to play with us every single ball, and if we do that, we're going to have a big chance to win the game.
Yes, yeah, channel kakra nano pe serebe ade dia kan nyina no enso abeso so ade ama mamen fanto am so say wo ma share big teams ni bi decision to draw Liverpool so CC no bra afei ana drum so mo pompo mo kwajem ade aham na Liverpool for no me can say am say this week ana me be say boys na kwakwa meeting na say Darwin ni squad wo de say bowo mo say because omo kodi omo nkomo say manager no so okode any afi ade bi also mo ye Emma Premier League title eko Adija manager ne kwan bia no also mo ye Emma chese Darwin Nunez asle bra wunu aso onya won kwan ko be hede eto omani abre pa yeso mo say go de Arsenal for ntre no mo nya de on be so mo ye na ochena nyame ya dona match ne start na mo bon sampa bobo kwa for Liverpool komo na be di ene nyina no no kura enso wo mo say wo mo be so mo ye adwuma den enso adema manager no na Chelsea coach Enra on kasa bi ento say woman is set piece expert. What about James Ward Pros? Eddie was so caught to say be a worst timer. One more James Ward Pros. Bama, what on another Chelsea? Over to the chance every day. Referee Barbanesha on Tina Yamaha Crabio. James Ward Pros. Ever tonight as some unesino. Now manager Franisa. Yet just Pochettino. Me referee didn't cry. Mariso must I know. Says a yet Chelsea coach no kakakra.
Only it's like a reference when you see different games and you watch different games because that is the beauty of the game, because you cannot guess what is going to happen. Some reference, of course, in the last 5 always with.
Yes, I know. I said the manager Franisa Mauricio Pochettino na otesa ya denen sama tu ya Sharak mama Enzo Fernandez one Moises Caicedo omo Enzo HS we X and maybe a trade kind of Twitter omo deactivate your account adan yes one and central for UK and what team supporters no wonim ne ntia omo delete sa nanu na ye bom so McAllister and ya fan one city na 2 cities one you low hey ye shed ye fan bi ni o mumna ma yi bi o ma me aboka sana o se sana Liverpool to McAllister ana Enzo ne chese mo assist kai so me unum dia o ye wo se o the Chelsea Central Midfield Partnership cost Chelsea 222 million pounds just say ye da bia no wo 222 and the boys at entatem de dia bra akọ omumu Watching a booba pejam bom, yet a bomb on down one pass as a castle. I'm saying, come my boys no be and 2-4. But what about Jai? I say almost what deactivate Tom passing beer. And I update Tabafay, Mamma Red Fans MJ, Michael Jordan. When I'm saying Michael Jordan, so by Jenny Dimpana, PSG manager, there, now so as you, yes, so much as I said, what the ball will coach associated that, of course, PSG to me consider by 6 just a clear cut opportunities. Our opponent, I say, by sounds almost was sent to me, says a result question mark said about, maybe so late, Mamma Michael Jordan, and some Pabuanum, sir, MJ, Abba Jenny record. Now Michael Jordan record, and some, and say, what JJ, I championship in Libya. Now we are in the sneakers and playing this, now share and some other ball, basketball. We are Air Jordan 6 or you soon in 1991, Air Jordan 7 or you soon in 1992, Air Jordan 8 or the 1993, Air Jordan 11 1996, Air Jordan 12 1997, and Air Jordan 14 1998. Every crowd were customizing the signature with an autograph and some at your toho. Yasomoko Oshina. $48,032,800. ebi si da masa mpɔbɔ na obi ahyɛ no daakye ɛma bi atwam ama kyɛsɛ na no wei ahanka kura dwonso aguso ama mpɔbɔ no kura tete modia ɛma bi obi akura bi abi wi masa o ha ka ekusie kyɛsɛ Michael Jordan championship ɔgye NBA rings ni nyina no nim sɛ what they are fetching $8 million and over dollars. Diamensa can say will be an wakako or shen and pabo or shen maybe a term. I'ma fetch this amount edda. I just MJ Michael Jordan and some anakaka side on shack. Mama Steph Curry and pabo or share at the ball game and now much way and some and director tour PE carry 4 flow through. My Steph Curry some pabo or share now much and some at the ball game any I just say where just Steph Curry at Janono. I feel Mamma a bunch of fans Anthony Edwards about Minnesota Timberwolves Anthony Edwards Masa Rewunya Uchu Shanabako Sundays we are bringing a brand new shape but when the ball basketball and Kekoredo were real craft for some good box ma was some Kwakoyuzu on City Identity and Emra and yet yes Anthony Joshua say where Tyson Fury say or spa just onu obi ya as a practice our ring no no ya bon na ya chia me hono ma pai say ta na ehon na bie no ana ya se omo se sa na tia dia entokona na no ya me ba me ba jeje ho achesema heham eye so we achese ntokwam sa ewiase nyina atwen no wo mo se agiso omo tu ntokwa no enso ade hye da foforo enti ama so da be na beba so omo nim da beba so amanfo start resist and Olazana Jusik and Philip aye Hargovich omo nkoko eno ya bia 17th aye February na yesi owura fans against Clemens wonom aye ne aka se manager adama chese owura fans Jusik go say ha Tyson Fury no woyo hufo papa Tyson Fury nya bema o Tyson Fury sent to kwai baso aye babulu ntino waye de obetimi bia ma chese wako catch the opponent no I was sparring him say on for frying pan and shit ani ho and say what you body na ukwayi so o kitchen na one nika no wife and solve problem na be o bi kwayi so a wo hu ehyi no ade bi akita no kitchen obi a say boys ni bo ma ya to bankuta to am homo say owura say onu ade no am say onu na koka say yemfa frying pan and shit ani ho am say and some akwa for some and some ajabanti Fury and tokano enya maso asese no and some I update eba ho some nyina no ye de am ye bretie for brand call yen sori so eba brand causa Apostle Jeffrey Asare afa Bishop Atapoku and Michael Asare body yabana fe yaba behwem undiluted ye de be so edama live on Sompa 93.1 yen komra real quick yabana fe yaba beto aso the first stories in the taubat ye de bre ana ye adwuma real quick na onim say amachin so say WW no our tribal chief Roman Reigns onim say we bema bia masa ohunya no so bema draw just 0 hash star 110 hash over recharge na fe wabona wa follow prompt na odo ho ahye mu bi wey aye Vodafone cash special bundle asem ensom ane de ema Vodafone say further together mame front to wanim say Kulun Ghana Limited enso ade nu paba Kulun start so tonu enye ne na woye bema wadro no aye ne kan say hunchun capsules no eno ebeboaw nyoma beko kama woye bema odwonso rough afei wodwonso na akwa so bema ne mu achemieno na sensuo no emu achemieno odwonso a wote yaw se bia be so bomb by the free aye prostate aye enlargement ni mo a eno aye hunchun capsules ana ye kamfo ede amaw enano pe afei ye kamfo Mr. Q enso amaw na Mr. Q no so no ebe mo ye bema mu premature ejaculation ebe ko sisiade obetu ase afei kotodwanum aye omre anase bia low sperm count no bema huntimi nsori ya wadro no enso aye ne ye fa ne se Mr. Q eno ene ye kamfo emedro aye araba bazem pills no so awadwa so pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops ni nyina mu no wonsa enso abecount here woba ebesiesie o kama menstrual pains na beko menstrual disorders asie betu ama chesa won nsem ni nyina no asiesie yefunu no ama nyame nso ahye ne ho ne monyam enso adiama from penphone 0244 275 429 0244 275 429 and I say 0206 271 016 0206 271 016 na chese onim ayade say when so Kulun Ghana Limited empenfo no enso enkasana fe wo mo so enyo mo asere be abibia so betimi akokama enso adiamantie enkowe no so real quick na fe abadwafo no ma to aso ashak the oshak kaki down here military officer nah I say happy birthday Elko Adiama Lance Corporal Asante Minta Junior Asante Minta Junior and so our 4 infantry battalion or your sojani and ewa wadanti Asante Minta Junior Lance Corporal 4 infantry battalion and ewa wada yamesho wada panyamin shraw now onye wakoma swade ni nyina no and so enfama fei akwadane dia no was say happy birthday Elko Adiama Fernandez Yabua o papa a ye friend Ethiopia say show awadapa Fernandez or singing na beye penimpa na onso manfa so emma so nyame nka ho onton super engu birthday so Fernandez Junior o baba Ethiopia eno mama say yawe show awadapa na chese no enso edi fru edeba fei ababa wan so dia no say bishop be say yawe she nana adepa happy birthday na nana adepa enya 10 years into nana adepa happy birthday from emse o mama no papa na abusuafo ni nyina say yawe show awadapa nyame ntene ne show on tutu anamo sisi na oma dache no anya bright and so emma pa the bia be find once again nana de pa happy birthday and so elko and so edi amount achese no I wishes e through and so de ba wo bishop mira ndamenim so ho ye de
o nyame adom afa bi agum kama pa ene de bibia edi wa obeka kra me metie because
some passport
na bibia ni wa obe ya debi se ne se start no ene bibia e ko no de ke ja ene.
That's right.
Ene.
That's right.
You know, you need the spirit and synergy of the community football team ewum.
Yes.
Na ama football team no etimi akon anim.
Yeah.
Nyoma ni bi wo asa wa main players na eya won ti ase. Eduana ene Karela match bi na mehwe na Bright J. Oko presse Karela for na and or caught tackle with the last press and unya ball no na say defender na kanechi but only defender ni na no more that form afi fancy Brighter J sorry no ball no penalty box no mo the aka ne say only keeper obe place ball no fancy no pass ball na to keeper and say I was trying kapa na we kunya say ball no that time goalless nti medwa after wakasa me nkura me fi no second half your pon ball no Adriana we need 2-0 and oba me appreciate nya ball no see we need defender na call form no the nine be war misrim me tipin ne pa ba me de moja hye sorry so the man ka ball into me bo shekra na say me fi ma
ope
but sorry na baby aye war no ne san twen no it's not the power to generate power behind the ball in your near Bilbao players just one thing. Omunim senior Bilbao sunsum ene ne nyoma city. Bilbao a political party.
Yes.
Bilbao, Barcelona, they've all been anti-regime clubs. Name Bilbao for no, quite almost so unique no. Or more team no. We're quite almost so Barcelona if we muna. BBA dia dance yourself fancy, they would need their supporters in that semi-final. Yeah. And young one say, Omaba, the Nuevo San Mames Stadium one, catcher almost say, look, near Druni die, this is a mobem. And everybody involved in the fiber of this club understands what it means. Ubetimi abobia, this is ufriho. You be chichi no PSG.
Name Fabaku Bakasi.
But he's here now. You can see a body now. Hey, baby, o can the Herrera there. But he came in one and empeno.
Yeah.
No, be happen. He came in to say under it to Raspi. Another guy, Anna, Ubia Peno. Uncle. Nti baby a omufri no. Team no omobo no. Any gia omoji supporters need this say. Ombetime di omudwuma di ni ya. This is our supporters we eka ho. Eno ema omoko won say look. Momra na mo ne me boa na intimi hwe match no. Ntuhwema ombedi ka akwa we say ne okan no. Na omabebo return one no. Until the next time I hear ombehu omo no. Maybe omabebo return leg no. Nti no yemfa we nya nkaidum. Ne aye na madwi. Any nipa over 40,000 ne mabeta ye chiama ya ye. Samoba Bimwa, your GD mappa. Say, Ebe Broso. The ultra supporters group one. Fair. But Adena Amoyan in Sembon is the entire stadium. Emmanuel Aguachi in the players, Omujina baby back baby. Maybe our supporters no ultras no one. And Omunio Makambum and Omuye Jumano. But it's the entire stadium. So Tia sound now. What the rest of Obia. Everybody sampa ye jamu kwan fancy enye we nkwa I'm predicting say emi beba besa be catch say omo last training no mo ye before omo ko bossa semi-final first leg no away no sa ni pe be sa ko training ground so akojo omo kwan omo se bus no nso so eba Jipoka airport abefa won e de onko airport wa mo ko fire plane akoba bi omo ko na obehu streets no so say a lot of people. Any victory for Athletic Bilbao is resonated in the tradition of the city. Major European cities, let's say Roma, Sono, Edi, Nia, Ewahona, Enya, yes. Obia on the patron saint. Sa Bilbao Krono, Bascon Bilbao, patron saint in the friend San Mames.
Okay.
Now, yeah, they need to only jata to boom kunjata.
Oh,
so they are evoking the spirits of the community on these boys. Monko, go and conquer for us. It might be just Copa del Rey, but so more a winner Copa del Rey now. Just as Real Madrid ever cost Siberia Sodom, no Makakoye or Muniman, San and Confus Beba and Suno, any baby San Mames no memorial no one, no Abeyomujuma. So a team that is in transition because Ushimwa team no picky time under Herrera mo.
Yeah, no
Manchester United na Marcelo Bielsa no na Ituraspi ho.
Yes.
Na Andoni Raiola Kra was part of that team. Look, no Dawson was also there.
Sompa Sports
and the Herrera, Ike Muniain, all these guys were there.
Yeah.
Another opportunity for glory becomes on them. And it's only fair. It is only fair. Say, supporters in the back catch say we've played our part. We so mukona anye ya ombo muni omatemu. We omuni omuyi. So omoko na anye yi no me bori 10 leg no ofi no mo ntimi an qualify. They won't attack them. Omeko training ho. Ombo yi omu leaders na all trust no be training obisa coach no. Say adena mo yesa. Bibi o see am kanche ne ko kanche. They use the right channels. The only time we say Bilbao fans no are going gaga abontin. Not just they always seek to address these issues formally first. the leader of this group, on a chief revenue officer. Oh, baby, a Sociedad. And I think the Eba team. Chief Ultran, Penino Denimoy, revenue officer. So I'm loving it. But a team is full of tradition. Ube Bobia, also Ubebia free. Mekai say maybe na mentasa say Fernando Amorobieta of Venezuela, but no both team winner Mokacha say no look, Amorobieta na nkasa na ye won to tell no about the ball academy.
So I'm due to say
you must be part of the family.
Yeah.
Other than that you cannot play. And it served them so well. It served them so well over the period. It's nice to see them like this. I'm judge Ghana for me, you know. Who would have thought?
Yeah.
I mean, so it's lovely when you understand why they invest so much in Friday night. No matter certain weekend they up cram with that result and then this atmosphere at the stadium. Omu free stadium obi akotwabi. Wow, no, because they do this for the community, Charlie.
Yes.
They do it for their people. And it's every single time. You watch Bilbao. First time I call Bilbao, me show Mudin and say, no, I'm on for door. Community say, you're my Ghana. But Ghana, no, you're Asantufo, you're Bonofo, you're Kwafo. These people believe in their family values first and foremost, and so that the nation system. Bank never on. Find a national appeal, Kucha Bank, but the resident bank amount. Bakubisu or Banco Santander.
Okay.
And also Barcelona, Barcelona there because a port city. So like it's beautiful. Barcelona for Jesse, no. Friend is Senera.
Yes. So red and yellow, no.
We must also do any green and red. We are feeding them. Catch until who captain now. Captain Amber. Bilbao colors.
Yeah.
Basque colors. Yeah. Represent. It's beautiful. It's such a nice community football club. You'd love to be in their midst to see how they do these things, and it's glorious. It's glorious. So, I had the chance to discuss Kobe Mainoo with Randy Abbey. Yeah. Now I'm saying. Paul Hest now Ocho Times article.
Yes.
He actually reached out to Randy Abbey. And no catch Randy Abbey say, may your story feature on Kobe Mainoo. Na me person can be bisa on Semba Kuminubi. That was on the 7th of December.
Yes, and then
7th December. And Paul Hest started her article now Ocho on Kobe Mainoo. And no bisa say Kobe Mainoo is eligible to play for Ghana. Na Ghana, omunya omopana. And Randy Abbey says, just like all the quality talents in the world. So when Mbona or Ghanaian heritage, Ghana Football Association, GD say, see, now Sabisia Kaimaya, Ebeboa, and Kobe Mainoo is not different from Nkra or more Ghanaian heritage.
Or consider us on also a Ghanaian.
Exactly. And Odana say, we are no business and na Efe Hono or ye dealing. And around the country and say, or an executive council or executive committee member of the Ghana Football Association. And they try. Or Danasi. So, but yes. Sad Times article, no. Okaya, who say about Randy Abbey din womb. Me Jenefi days who I can say, Yampa. Randy Abbey, any Paul Hest at all times. I'm privy to the WhatsApp conversation between the two of them, which happened on the 7th of December. Randy Achichi, the Ache Paul Hest. Sam Penny Ampano, Branty and Omunyana, Omope. And it's been what we would call a meteoric rise. Kobe Mainoo, after an Anfield match now, boy, you know, he's gone leaps and bounds. And it's only fair. Say, over here, say, Akran or just saying, we will be mechanical or your academy or by scholars, Nibia. Kakre will become maybe £1,000 a week. Or your cracketwa. Nemum near all ye. Among for any back home. So when the come will be the Sikako share agent na CCC kima. Asamaba. Ntienye, ma mini Kobe Mainoo nin komo na menka nche say, "Hey Kobe, hana awo no, me won hye pama. Me ma obi an ada. Ball no, obetimi abo abo ni yi wa. Ntitina ha na ball no. We say or a player of the month. Obia ni millions. Fancy.
Yeah.
Team be anywhere Premier League no, omo media hype. To say Manchester United.
Because club nanka sakra player of the month award of 5. And mama me nyaso.
Exactly. Intino after me nyaso. Ube te Kobe Mainoo din ye. So but what Kobe Mainoo din no? it comes with something. I feel once will be endorsement deals. I feel once say boot deals.
Yes.
That's a boot Nino Emano £1 million a year. Busumi be saying that's a little under £100,000. What I say now, the wage Busumi be £4,000. Club no being conscious are crying or semi Tunisi.
Between the jump road, I could buy 25,000, 30,000.
And it's very important. Manchester United are considering that.
Yeah.
Or her team no woman, her performance a woman. Rashford Munina or Bruno Fernandes, and then Onu Kobe Menu of Academy Numabano, Onu Neye Player of the Month. Look, that is a very good achievement for him. Intine Sefata, Sene, Nkomodidi, Koso, na what to me, Ajatum say, look, they say, me modi money, na when I'm a Sefata. Joshua Kimmich, on your careful. He's been a jack of all trade, a master of none. See, yeah.
Oh,
Joshua Kimmich. Jack of all trade. He's a master of none. Joshua Kimmich, or number 8. Or your interior, midfield interiors, maybe.
Yes.
Second phase and third phase of build-up. He's a master. Fancy. Obonesa Mayedi Hunu. Opejano. Then about 6. About right fullback. And then started finding the new Philip Lam.
Yeah, under Pep.
Good. Now, in all those positions, there has not been a moment where you would have said, say, Joshua Kimmich is the best 6 outstanding player in the entire division and then in a larger extent Europe. Both for the national team and then Bayern Munich. Joshua Kimmich, the potential, baby, I will be expecting some Kobe Druno. The next Philip Lam, Ondru.
Who's just in Dino Cry?
Exactly. And this is Francis also for Philip Lam. Sorry, for Joshua Kimmich or Bas number saying. This is a me turn up Barcelona. Now or ne Gundogan ne kobo double pivot. And now or number 8 no or be compete Pedri any Gavi. Sports. Or be there and I say man be number 6. And now we go number 2. Manchester City. Rodri. There's no way. I'll be to me don't say si ubu baby I want me ni udi nkomo no pay say. Wo don't say si ubu aka say Rodri ni ball now abono. Joshua Kimmich abo atra.
Because took a crab interview kwa say when number 6 and a man can make a dry babesine no because of fools and any meme ya wine because I also need 6 there it means me no be am to me 6
that's it Joshua Kimmich
yeah
but Bayern Munich say omo pe Joao Pali no mo pe na e
am fa no kra wie
so ntino wa obefa Joshua Kimmich bi an man nko utrim say oh fa player he will now have to re-identify and invent. And Joshua Kimmich only 22-23. Kimmich is 26-27. Sports. This is a fast player we so miss a camera. And he now the I feel now in the back as I said, look, perfect way. Joshua Kimmich time no more is the new Philip Lam. No some question he say look. I was some master position the back say way media.
Yes.
Hana me ya de pa name say he to me meet me akobo baby fufro. In recent times, my favorite number 6 in the Premier League no. Omo 2.
Okay.
Fernandinho. And Fabinho. Yeah. In recent times, Semifinal number 6 be na e omo na me hwe make omo both on X, Facebook, even on radio. Now me argue strongly say N'Golo Kante on your number 6.
Okay.
So Oshe Fabinho and Fernandinho dia omo your number 6. Especially 6. Omo ko abit ma bo number 6 na single pivot. So about 4-2-3-1-2. On bet man ni before frabo double pivot.
Yes.
So bona o full back no onim defender to say Cancelo ni Trent mo defend no form na. Boss anko for na on win because number 2 nko. Why? You started say ajibo na firu nsem de be hye ba 2 na ja ho na kohwe ope. Wo so my foul. On be ye foul no so so man nya foul na on be gina kokova. There is no space for you. Sani pani mienu no. Samo bobo no. Na mo mpese mo number 8 no be china utimi mo move ba number 5 na number 4 and 5 na biem na o wa be kan number emiensa until they start the distribution from the back and I said they will start the first phase of build up for you
and Paul Bishop I say oh mama flashes or my name is here because Fernandinho be ball 6 power
massa na Fernandinho
City
massa
Rodri mu the end there
look
I pass off the ball back you can't
especially 6
typical 6 power
number 6 say ball no yes instructing no we mu no de na mama mu yehu pa no I mean madam for be kobi onyan China so nkofo no omo ya beefo omo aduro Fernando ntina fancy we mu de na ema omo hu yehu no omo be yi na ne say omo timi hwie hu ba bia problem no wo
yeah
na ma be dumja no ana say unya counter transition say o be sha omo a omo timi smell say bo we ma ne kope ye ko shen omo be twa ye foul na de yellow card eno ne kofa Manchester City no mo say tactical fouls e bia no na Fabinho ye no enti Barcelona any Liverpool Champions League semi-final under 10 minutes na Fabinho agi yellow card but still no bobo no say dey win see obunua we mo aside say omo bo 6 omo timi be che be bie ma center backs na emiensa no so center back pra na say uni number 5 for wa we mo meet ma be bo 5
yeah
omo timi bo number 5 heavy center back Fabinho or Real Madrid no bo 2 so you've got to appreciate that sa role no adani assistant kra ntino say na no Spain na Rodri bo 5 Manchester City back critical no so ball 5 now let's go back Gilberto Silva Vieira
oh yes
obi ani medjuma na Vieira ye ma Arsenal but Gilberto Silva na yes edjuma we ono so no team ball 5 yanko Barcelona 2005 2004 omo prefer no nipa na oye key mo mfimfim pa no pebranti na manfo ntan hu no dodo na fe na Edmilson
yes
ono so no number 5 no timi san boss boy number 6 timi bo 5 no na no Rafa Marquez asem ono so na djuma ba kwa no ye no
to say Mascherano modi
perfect look the role has changed emrene dani ni nyina no na
Sompa Sports
Joshua Kimmich or specializing ho say me alone 6 uja me nkwa mebo 6 no and as me timi no obi abo in a double pivot 6 game no it has evolved adami it has changed so person we are there this is the level you should aspire to be and Hona Rodri can come and that's why he's the best in the business until say number 6 bi na edi ne ho komo na amanfo peja omuti say number 6 we there oni amanfo mo boa no onhiamoa debi onhiamoa nana omo ni mo adwuma no Fabinho Fernandinho there was something similar in their adaptation Fernandinho fi Shakhtar Donetsk nearby
yes
oba ene nya oba ya no be shemu boy you it took about 7 months for him to understand the demands Fabinho was same it took time for him about 6 months and so now jogging club AJ Fabinho edi say onu nko ankobo as a 6 adwuma we no are evolving Sompa Sports until Joshua Kimmich did not evolve with time and no na man dey bisa say okofa Joshua Kimmich and na ba Manchester City a obetime to Rodri ana
David
o de ne ko Barcelona obebo sen emra dane yes Liverpool super no until say obasisi obeye den 6 na adwuma no fancy tactically it's been adjusted to the point where people are prioritizing 2 types of 6 the destroyer 6 and the DLM 6 deep line playmaker 6 no Pello the Obama Juventus no the Obama AC Milan no because always Milan no na Gattuso na 6 na adwuma no then he will build with Kaka with distribution now Oko Juventus no he was the deepest of their midfielders na nim no and na Claudio Marquisio mo no nti ono na decided tempo no that was what Xabi Alonso did at Sociedad he na Nkomuji League no that is why he did at Liverpool and no okoye oba
Sompa Sports
into the 6 ehun komo no adane nimom nipa obehye mu kina etwa ja to 6 adwuma no no Busquets no Barcelona
on the serious
now he also decided say remember the deep line playmaker 6 into the say ye di attempt say na asa na striker ne pa ne ho no wanti man twana nto enye na adwuma no ono no baby a obe twa no obe so obi atade mu no ono the positional awareness until once you go for tackle Busquets no will go for interceptions when interception na when tackles so clearly the 6 has evolved so only 6 a obetima ye adwuma mienu sesi a ho be chew enye sa this okopo man be ye adwuma ma 6 no na 6 na distribute am
well Bishop me da say Bishop Atapoku and no Michael Asarbodu Eba na o say Akwesi Berima say I'm listening to you live from Canada Man United all the way. I feel best man. Yeah, boy, just say I'm watching the show live from a Buakwa Macro. More update on Barcelona. Yeah, Nina Ama area dada. Francis Tete says I'm listening to live from Bantama. Bonsam Gem. How I'm free and I just want no. And so a day a message na eto and so the buy a fee. When so say more fire fancy and fan survivor king and a survivor king so a day no and so at the buffet. Final sure say Messi impossible. I'm say debate no now cross up level of na do mo de no so akwa drew and so no member Michael but 21st clinic kaine call na kwaje wayare say e man ya den how e man ya den count to 21st clinic and so ebe boama watu nya do ni nyina so ase kama na mom eba no say siate kan say ntini na e connect free woto usisi mu e de ba woto ase sanle aba usirem e kire ho no e de aba 92 ba bi a che so hwe Facebook and TV ni so ya draw ne kama ma no santini ni mu twetwon anase mu tutu a ba mo de so ba hwe 21st clinic empan for and some kira ko omonko a na tu ase ama yenso an na mom ye tu ase ama ni pedua no enso ade ne ho kama 21st clinic e ye adwuma ultrasound scan ultra model laboratory e ho ye be massage body na ama hodia bam and afi machine treatment ye be dan over 15 branches e wo Ghana no wo drew e ye oboase council quarters e ye court junction encline e ye dome market sunyane obenya yen afi enkranza ye wo ho ana techiman so ye adwuma kumase a e ye hwa overseas junction ye ben alpha radio 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 and I say 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Mike
Fancy.
Na BBI find.
Na me out BBI come. Na oh yeah.
Some passports. Yeah.
Story about me shoes now.
Me say Bishop Okase we Okase Bona Bishop say. Was
he 8 million a day?
Those man
that. There why there man Nike and yan TSC say as a stance minim dey be in the next 50 years or 100 years. But no individual sports athlete in a bit mania the impact Michael Jordan has had on sports.
Whoa.
Yeah. Me yen sports in general, me football, me way, me yen basketball. But in the next 50 years, and me nim the basic because I don't know if me cry met na say at time now. But no individual athlete yen ye hu no je hu before us and e benya an impact emu edimu ana e wasro at the same Michael Jordan. And his impact transcended just sports now, boy, you know. The impact, you know, it is felt in fashion. It is felt in entertainment. And as even the film industry. His impact is felt in music. The impact permeated football terrains. His impact now, the next generation of Beba will still feel it because Jordan outgrew just in the playing career and is outgrown just becoming a sports athlete awajidin, rather to become a figure. The figure no one exemplary, successful, and then a inspirational. On a Nike journey, no, it will not end today. Even Owukwa, Nike and Michael Jordan will continue. Meaning say they make what because clearly, idea you know, it started from at a point, but the oya no. Some sports. Where shoes are wash from 91 day bar. And the interesting part is that this started prior to 1991. Remember the game winning a gamer a Boamo Mutimije the championship. Now a Chicago Bulls for no Tim Hallman. Now Hallman was a public executive for the Bulls. On Jordan. Echo young say an agreement say ko bobo say be a footballer into bobo ni wia o jesse no aya fama me enti Hallman ne Michael Jordan I think they have okay there's a picture into omo years arrangement you know then Jordan bo wie yo win and he had to sign off one of the shoes no the amano so 1991 shoe na ya auction back when a collection where 8 million no
yes
the first one no any
okay
into Jordan
a lucky person
exactly that was the arrangement and Jordan continued until every 6 of those shoes you know 6 ni na the auction no enko, but the other pair was a empabo be pair left and right, and it's on the left ni na Martin Halaman and the auction right ni na. And Sotheby's, a more auction in Pabuano, they were able to collect Halaman Diano and then also auction it off in Tonuswenya and some fast war. But it became a ritual until every time Bia Bulls Neje Championship Bia Michael Jordan is signing one of his shoes no at my opening of that screen, you see, because it was an arrangement now out of superstition. Jordan who say any papa we no lucky be so to pay off and then to make a more ritual no continue say ade ayadia tum see be and me yema obia na me gitum bia na and the success ediba. And truly the Bulls won 6 NBA championships with this man still present, and Jordan always continually na oye every time be omoji eyini bia. So it started with just an agreement. Oh Charlie ayadia tum ye say na ye no Drew. That is number one. But how did even the Jordan and the Nike journey begin? Fancy. Before Jordan, when you remember Rainy in basketball, yeah. Converse, Chuck Taylor. And the Bemayenya All Stars.
All Star Converse.
Yeah. All the big basketball players, they don't Converse.
Wow.
Larry Bird, Magic Johnson. Sure said there were basketball players. Time Jordan be rally him no more so since na mabon. Larry Bird for the Boston Celtics and then Evan Magic Johnson for the Lakers. And they were the face of the NBA then. Say Benya Messi, Enya Ronaldo being the face of football for over 20 years. And I say for more than 20 years. These two also sold basketball throughout that level. Jordan Bejidin, he came with a name, but he didn't name bro we mo the NSO. And it would take Jordan to win first, and Sakrani Bejina to say, okay, then he can belong. Until now, Converse for the dominating. Now Adidas wanted Jordan in the NBA. You were rookie, you were sophomore. Rookie ni obi a obe room for friend new player
first season.
Exactly. So from college and also from university, no, obe rim straight into the league. Oh, you're rookie. Sophomore ni ebia, you might still be in school and I say where we school no. Oh, league in him and call second year in the league. And now yes, sophomore is when you experience kakra. Now Jordan was entering the league as a rookie. But no agility or college level, no, because almost almost collegiate basketball. It is said the IFN inter schools.
Okay.
Into nimba obi anymore even before you enter the league. Into Jordan agility, you're tagging and say he's the next future star of basketball. Now a next future star. Almost all these companies will want him on board. Send a beya brand endorsement. Said their mom. So they wanted him as a brand ambassador. Converse no was stars. So if they pitch Jordana and come out money no, it will be to add up to Omo collection. Okay, become one of Omo aye grow. So they will not sell a concrete plan. 2, Adidas. Adidas was also famous then. Football and sports near there. Inti basketball na ankasa they wanted to enter. Okay, Jordan ye nyawa ye bemo aye to say their Converse for year Larry Bird. Yes. But Nike decided to come in here and then sell a different story. And it is all courtesy Sonny Vaccaro. Vaccaro called Jordan hono. No pitchy way no man say. We don't just want you as a brand ambassador. We want you to become the face of this product and our brand. So that brand ni so let's grow together. Jordan and Fanny Tianje. It took Jordan's mother and Apostle Kasa same way they be. Jordan mame. And they played that crucial role. Say Debbie Adidas funny the scare body. Converse funny was sika, omo de body, omo jean, omo rich, omo bibi. And Nike had nothing. Nike ne niche in basketball. They said they are about for and Nike Jordan. They had nothing. Omo zero.
Bene anka nipa no beko ida say bia I
did popular good omunishi Jordan mama say Nike Diana na me pay me body be Nike because this man would travel all the way to Jordan fee on any mama be din komo ne papa bedi nkomo kyerɛkyerɛ omumu sɛ wo ba ne sign ama Nike ase no obeye nto de menhwɛ mprempren ni sika obenya but daakye ne mfaso ebe free maba so Jordan ne ma me tenetena no okasa kyerɛ ne sɛ wojaf nkofo na asɛm na o kan me de me som menim sɛ o ne me nyadwen but I will make you accept it but before so be accepting what dear let us make it fair for all the bidders omo bidded to get Jordan so it was a fair process. Jordan went to Adidas koti omo offer or Converse koti omo offer before Oba Nike
because an sanka ko Converse and will be an order Converse scrabble ball
basketball and then Converse they be more so okoti obi offer into TOB offer ni we buy no and he reflected then obeje ne ma me asem ni tum say you say that we there kra drain that thing you say edida no and edidi prep so with the kind of project Nike for ne selling no we believe so which 50 million kra 1984 in the near future this will be something that will be worth it enti ma memo and a prayer say ye negotiating the way ashem say empabwa ye friend Jordan na ye ton sika bi e be free ma ba na side your modern Myers endorsement ye be transfer the percentage room it started with Jordan's mother onye marketer on course school kobo degree onye hwe hey ma me say sika na modern Myers no modern Myers wi a moton Jordan empabwa bi because me wogidi o me banim so be kese
percentage
empabwa pia mo beton bia no percentage so Jordan 1 they said their friend Air Jordan. Jordan 1 was released in 1984. And then the agenda that was where they are. Ama Empompa Bo share 1991 day bano. Yegusu ton. And truly, all Jordan memorabilia have been auctioned off in a historical manner.
Oh yeah.
Adie bi a Jordan share, adie bi a Jordan why you see that? And the year ton no on the market. Omo ton bi a make record in fast baso and Jordan Nkwa has been able to maximize sales for Nike in excess of $1 billion.
Serious.
It started with just a dream in 1984 but now it is a money making machinery enya dia eba bewuda record ni bi no mo de gu on
oh yeah
5-year $2.5 million deal with Nike in 1984 and San Pablo Silva 2014 na Jordan abedru a billionaire so don't always look out for nkete no sacrifices be be making then it will pay off in the future so the sacrifices you make today will eventually pay off in the future but now most of us now kodi chale show prekona me dey show and me dey bam
so je ne bam so abedi ne bam
exactly so there is a lot of lessons to learn from the Michael Jordan experience we know ne life ni baby opeja kodru ye no obetimi aka an act of God but it was also purely by design. He had a family that trusted in his talent, a mother who was very wise and knew how far ne bani betimi akọ into ono so bebua ne ba no amwedru, and then there were destiny helpers along the line for Michael Jordan. It is a beautiful success story but enye easy sir when yana fofofo sir. Jordan ran league in 1984. He won his first championship in 1991. How many years? When few failures bape now when I'm also bet my way now on there. Today's generation we are quick to rubbish people, to throw away people, to dent or more hopes cry because of a little failure. Oh you say when the next Messi about 1 year now akwano krasa was sound Jordan had to wait from 1984 1991 and sana otimi de oye. But you know what happened? Every championship he won in the basketball franchise, he also won the MVP in the final. 6 titles, 6 final MVPs. Or 5 league MVPs. Or ball league ni nyiska or bonya success, but it did not come instantly. So if you are looking for quick success, this is a frame. And also who we are. No, it will not be as sweet as we would any be. You will be bro, my people, Moaku to Mampamrika, or Muvia. No, it is better. But when mo dia no mo brenya ye no, it is still sweet and they are enjoying from adekro mo ba be ye. Yensu ade emfemfrim. Sports offers life lessons. Sports, it is activity be a nipa involved with piano. Yensu ade di film. Yen adwuma ye tena ye be ye. Yensu ade film. Amount for pick inspiration from it. In the same vein, yet now pick inspiration from the story of Michael Jordan, and I think it is something that must be told and told. When we say onya record we are, who say obre hopa no onya, and he deserves absolutely everything. Me who say athlete be ne brand be a grab bomb.
Just say my cook and apostle ejinwi. On say collection pabwa 6 na ye kan wase no nyina. Ye o hyen na me fancy ni pa ba to a.
Pabwa 6 no. Enya
say pabwa bi akeke wo.
Eye nifa nko
I say 6
nifa ni bekum enya pe
no ti ana na baby say
we to
say me ta on million kwaye day but abenya value over $8 million.
Yet say Ghana budget
ana ye kwa afka mo kasa
Dio
na skala de kwa afka na obi di koto Jordan pabwa di fani faro ba ko say me na me say ba ko ka do so obi o manane autograph ho na say hank nkurada ne abuso ma
pabwa na
how dey no
enya say pair fufuro bi o
how dey no
we out
who sister bi was say me dey me prato agu o
de edikai no nine bankum
yeah
nifa so 5 right foot shoe and 1 left foot shoe enya pair
and unim say
ye ka pair of shoes and now betimi a show
me nya story na apostle baby o mko detail say baby am right na no mbe so mo che say I say Air Jordan 6 VI no say 1991
yeah
no about Air Jordan 7 1992 1993 Air Jordan 8 Air Jordan 11
Tio, but
you shouldn't cry to grant me. The barota kwede.
I miss us to be say, and your pair of shoes.
I defend the fan. And that's all she will right now. I should so right now. When I say now, I got me told Jordan Pablo. That's
8 million. And you see, it's beautiful. So you see a lot of life lessons to learn from all this. It took somebody who also believed in Jordan to go, because then you'll be able to quite free baby or walk chrome. I call Sraw Mamma no papa say, obey me what did be when you must obey me a pageant to more from Obano Fancy Mensa. Yeah, I be manage Charlie and yeah, enough for more. And that from cra. Now fancy away from that to football. Me was a bishop here games no way kakra. Arsenal and Liverpool bonde. Sorry, I'm watching.
Before you start my bar apostle hono, I'm for say code no.
Okay,
so we are
code back because of AFCON inti ama yaswa shikakra.
Okay.
But yabema code back before.
Okay.
Now Arsenal Liverpool potentially could play a crucial role in the obeje the title. The entire makers are here. Liverpool entered this game with a 5-point advantage over Arsenal.
Okay.
Now Arsenal no had a dip in form in December and then occurred 3 winless runs. So this game will be crucial for them. So mu here BBD free mu and so the idea on person mo there. I think that these factors are maybe bobo. So say Arsenal bet me win here be 1 early goal. Arsenal last 3 Premier League games on a Liverpool abono. Omo no mo be scores nano, which means omo no share the opening goal.
Okay.
Now the opening goal no so it comes in the first 10 minutes. Gabriel Magalhaes share in the last game on mobile 1-1 no Anfield. In the 4th minute no share. Then Gabriel Martinelli another game 2-2. That was last season. And also share in the 8th minute. Then 3-2 bina Arsenal for share over Liverpool. And also Martinelli and a share in the 1st minute. So Arsenal have been known say omo the penchant for scoring early goals in the first 10 minutes against Liverpool when they meet. But the problem here remains that 3 early goals na Arsenal share ni no. Bakupe no mo winning, the rest Liverpool clawed back.
Yeah.
So the factor remains: start early, but finish well. If Arsenal needs something from this game, it is not just about almost start. Their start has been flawless. Akoye their moment said them was on that evidence, but they don't finish well because Liverpool always finds a way to come back. Bakupe and a Liverpool bet take Arsenal bet say a 3-2. But the rest 2-2 and 1-1. So Arteta has the antidote to starting well against Liverpool. But it looks like he misses something in finishing well against Liverpool. So if Arsenal will need something, it will be about starting well and then finishing well. The fact that I say I also almost finishing well and say Liverpool actually say, despite only Arsenal record say on starty or to me back no, this season on that evidence, 3 teams are now taking an early lead against Liverpool in the first 10 minutes. Liverpool have not lost any of the games. 3 teams. One against Bournemouth in the 3rd minute. And Antoine Semenyo Eshediti Omo. Liverpool be winning game 3-1. The same applies to Wolves. In the 7th minute, and one Hichan Eshomo. Liverpool be winning game 3-1. And then the 3rd game be Liverpool Arsenal. Gabriel Maga is in the 4th minute. Eshediti Omo. So they are a team of more character. And they know how to bounce back and get results almost over here.
Okay.
So Arsenal start well and then finish well. 2. Display maturity in the game. Arsenal coach FNC Mikel Arteta, meaning how will see prepare the players for games like this. But they enter the game to antagonize the opponents. A strategy and far. Now Arsenal team it affects their psyche. Maturity American here, how to conduct yourself on the pitch. Refereeing decisions go tiao. O player on any boss or ye be tiao. How are we reacting? Crucial. Overreacting a yellow card. It will play on your mind. The best example I met Myanmar in recent times, Chelsea and in Liverpool, Moises Caicedo.
Yes.
Game needed in trim. He got a needless yellow card. It affected his performance. Into the maturity the Arsenal players display, it will be crucial to their chances of getting something in the game. And the last one, Ebeye headed goals. So this season, headed goals chart netoswa. Obama Arsenal na wasro. Omono match the most headed goals in the league. 11.
Whoa.
Now say ye ti ehye goal nko ade Arsenal ya ade pa. Oh hwe omo nya ade with headed goals so a Liverpool. 2 oka ho bi. Was just 2 headed goals this season until the fewest headed goals scored in the Premier League this season. So to swa. Obama say Liverpool record no. When you headed shot 53. But Washemu 2 per Arsenal enya 50, but Washemu 11.
Wow.
But the trend is changing. In Liverpool last 2 games bono fancy. Almost share as many as 4 headed goals. Almost share 3 headed goals against Norwich in the FA Cup. And almost share 1 headed goal, Dominic Szoboszlai against Chelsea.
Yeah.
So they are improving. So it means that even with their height, from corner kicks, from free kicks, Liverpool can use their height advantage. Ibrahima Konate, Virgil van Dijk, Curtis
Szoboszlai
good. Arsenal, they are taking advantage of it and they can use it to their advantage. To me, whoever utilizes this strategy and so be one in the game and things will work well for him. So we pray for a very good game and then a wonderful weekend.
Whoa. Mike Medasi, Michael Asare Bodu enono, meba Apostle Jeffrey Asare hona Apostle dene diaba we I Scott Lion say this story is a documentary movie I recently watched. A nice movie na Jordan Diana na all kano. Afe o say oyibo buate ni free nrebehi some passports papa pa oyibo and a date ne diano and so the bar say I think a very good player than Nunez. Man City Szoboszlai okay ne diano no way so say live from Sydney, Australia, your friend Abiola Jr. and a Dene Diano and so at the bar. When so say nice presentation, Prof Atapuku, and also at the Nidiano and so at Baba Betwas. I foresay. Good morning, some passports. Watching the show live from UEW South Campus. Keep up the good works and what the by Drew Main and say Bishop Atapuku Famu Jisno or the so and so at the bar. Well, Apostle. Good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Operator,
for this is your mommy for the makeup.
Some passports
for operator. Now, me call quickly to Nigeria and Angola game. I must say that one thing that's working for the Nigerian team is like near Ahmed Musa Kane. Ahmed Musa is the general captain of the team.
Yeah.
The difference is because on Shasi and William Trust.
Just how many minutes?
Well, it's because Ahmed Musa won on Sheda and Yeda Ahmed Musa of yesteryears. And Ahmed Musa of 2013. So, of course, you understand that. What are the Molanis and Moses Muyeno? He will not be able to do it. And who your coach, you don't expect to pick him ahead of Simon Moses. And don't forget, so Robert about left, about right. So ambidextrous. So to Bono ahead of any of them per the current performance of the two players. So, but as a general captain, he plays a lot of significant role. And about the reasons why Nigeria among Kambum is what will send them far. And he's won the AFCON before 2030. So on Nimniaoka. And we have such figures in the dressing room to make sure that guide the players to when things are difficult, things are down, and then the words, the appropriate and the right words of the play are very important. So or see players there, and maybe idea so cancer, idea all kinds of men and fit into near omukuma backfire samaba.
Yes, so
even coaches or can be even coaches, a lot of them get it wrong. Message in 15 minutes half time, near so country players depending on the situation at team no film. So make me consider demoralize them. Don't pass kind of a nice shrinkoyi. So he's playing a very significant role. And yesterday, I mean, he spoke again about how important it is for them to keep Nyaokai from day one. In Kambu Nomu Sankai is on performance, no. And Tokyo Omukrum, it is going to make sure that the Kambu football no the Kambu brand Nigeria. Because the thing Nigeria polarized, divided. For me, that statement is the reason why you see them playing so well, very compact. William Trust Ekong, I mean, the leadership is showing leadership ever fault. And now, on him blue baller or block your body on 2 occasions. And he leads by example. His organization, he is the one that makes sure that Calvin Bassini, Shea Jemu, he is the one that makes sure that the 3 center back they're in line. Zaidu, there was an occasion and now Olaina echoed too much, or Luzbono Jana, or shouting Ola because you see, in tournament you need a leader to be guided at every point and making sure that they are doing that. No. And he's played that significant role so well. And all of a sudden, Calvin Basia Onyadi in the tournament, you can have a wonderful team oil, well-oiled machine playing based on the system and putting their strength together, but individually, really, they might not be that quality, that good. Calvin Basio, he's an exceptional player, average player. Shea, the same thing. Trust on your consistent. But because of one, the message, Ahmed Musa, the unity of purpose, and then the leadership display on the field. He displayed leadership both at the back and also general. And also Victor Osimhen, he also displayed leadership. On number of occasions, and now the same thing. Ademola, the pass to nature, Olaina, the pass to nature, he calls them, no, that leadership. On case of Minkasa, no, it will affect the team. Maun said, next time, one far more wow.
There's a coach no reason crying to the Ahmed Musa can home.
Oh, and maybe some can. I said it here. Now the issue came about players. There are the day was example. Me see there are reasons why a coach pick a certain player. There's a reason why he picks Stephen Appiah to 2010 World Cup. Role no goes beyond just pack no Super Bowl. Leadership, organization, direction off the field. How to get things for the player. Who serve players' interest. ABI Shubaba bonus. How Obekwa defend the players' interest. It's very important. The players see the leadership and they trust you. We form life in Bibia. Almost captain called the Okoka near Beboy. Captain Kokan. So Ahmed Musa is a very vocal guy. Very, very vocal and the near thing. Of the Hausa, or a typical Hausa boy. Yes, the near thing power. So you see that on the field of play. This is the first time since 2019 we share Nigeria and Algeria 2-1 at the loser. That Nigeria airport as a compact team, the wing backs are defending Zaidu or corner back Olaina. Olaina this year are defending than any other international team. Olaina and Kaneho no. Look, he's defending so resolutely, winning, intercepting passes. This is not Olaina, I know. Olaina, I know the enemy connected the change. But I will say, OTA post-match interviews now, boys don't cry here. Utioma, the unity of purpose thing, Stanley Wabili can the same thing. Ademola can the same thing. William Trust. And a ran through the entire team. So, team in your buta and they go according to buta. And to Asia, Osimhen enye master player, me and African best. No.
The entire team.
The unity of purpose. You bought as a team. Near here some mind be qualify. And yeah, me I remember Jimmy individual.
Oh, because Moses Simon the last edition
disaster. Someone chukwe in the ball.
No, Apostle post match Omubusa and say Osimhen team and share goes to say and you goes. It's not about who's
his contribution to the team. That is the secret the Nigerian have, and it's working for them. And that secret has always worked anywhere. The situation, Omukra situation, all like 2019, Ideal Gallo, where he's just currently African best player and son of into the tournament. So okay, baby, and guy beba. But on no African best player, no what Brent Hwasi. So African player Brent Hwasi na mama can Debbie. Yeah. Look. Omni Cameroon, look at how he pressed or tried to give a pass, holding up play. That is the determination, patriotism. And no one carry on. Oh, say, look, Nigeria, first round, the first round, the group stage, they consider Lego. And the team defending, Obia making sure. Like I say, look at the bodies yesterday on the line that were blocking balls from Mablu, Gesindala, even though I'm not guessing at Honsu Yeri.
Because you're cutting off.
Oh, space need opportunity, gaps now be exploited. And once again, this time round is not Victor Osimhen. This time Moses Simon step up the plate and created the opportunity and space. Because Canelo gets to the Iran and all the two Demola. And so the team is not about Osimhen alone. What do you say? Your boss and you say, Mrebana Mike and any opportunity, and I won't on your opportunity. Fatwa, no be and yet Chichina locate Osimhen. That's not the way they do their thing. You see Osimhen withdrawing to come and pick a pass and make sure, say, Ademola 2 goes not share, in a previous game. Look at how Osimhen did all the way. If you Osimhen, he could have scored. But this woman, come on, I don't share. So the unity, the teamwork, the hard work, determination, and the resilience of the team is what. And your person that is much of fun to baby. Your person that is where your players, Tankasa no Magia, we are outside. Look, and there we are say, and what your interview runs to everybody. You want to believe Roban and say it runs through him, everybody, and it's something that will help them going forward.
Because from the apostle now, can say. I'm saying Musa Kazachoma 2 or more for Nissan Commoning and Oko Nigeria. Is Untishi be more born on Kwasa. Born as a moon Kwan, as they say Nigeria for the Uncomo.
Nadian wins here. And Nigeria won't pay ball Chengana if you don't know.
Yeah,
Nigeria,
yeah.
They are number one sport, number one sport by the way, any football. And there some kind of number one sport. But for administrator Nigeria. Now say ITO, sponsor national team for years. They've always had good sponsors because of Odom Moma. I didn't have a sponsor more in the past. So that for Nigeria, when it comes to the national team, it's a different. Omano sick of one say BBS Omubwa in 1993. Mashuda Biola. At year 1993 under 17 team now. Almost Ghana at that time $4,200 each. To the team that beat Ghana in the finals. And Jomono
stadium ball World Cup qualifier. Said Dango Tenedin is renovation.
That's the one. So
over $1 million.
Orientation is different.
Boss, you are down for Nijana. Pitobi.
Yes.
One VIP.
Need to near. Check it. The lineup near the structure. Nigeria the ball first game against Equatorial Guinea. We are checking subsequently. And he said players na Gia Tumuno. They will engage the coach. Typical of Ghana 2015 minutes. Okay, yes. Jacob set up formation different behavior grant. Yes, super and after the first game against Senegal. And the next game was Sano
against Algeria, South Africa.
So when players are playing for you, forget about tactics. So when your players are more bad,
yes.
Tactics need to be.
Because Nigeria boy, who pesero and San
Oh, Debbie.
Players,
and that structure not the ball from second game against Ivory Coast. And one I remain is and won't consider one goal.
Yeah. Yes, and a lesson to your players who share the attitude of Nigerian players. I no share the master part. What do you say? In Crophobia, we all what do you say? They are the war front fighting for the country. Yeah, the end of the eco party. That's a big difference. And the attitude of Nigerian players possible. I bet you one bomb. their fourth tie they are looking for. It is possible, it's likely, if almost twice and Bibian Bebuma. So share this Nigerian team it's not Nigerian defense, the team that defends together. Into they are doubling up, they are making sure they are closing down. And Unya space Angola has been phenomenal up to the round of 16. I'm going to 3. And I see some ball come on Mobila. You understand me? Because of how the opposition in Nigeria made it difficult for them. And I'm able to know or you effort bet 3B. Guess it like in the game. You bet to a corner back by Masa. And after the goal, they managed the game so well. They were disciplined, kept their shape. And one thing Nigeria has so far is how they keep their shape consistently. Unusual, but structure the thing poto. But they are doing very well. It's a very positive thing as you keep it up. DRC there, look, let me say this about Guinea, baby, they've done even point beyond their way. They've done well. Guinea after 76, they've not done anything exceptional, no. And it's a quarterfinal, this is the third quarterfinal. What I'm happy for is Kaba Diawara. For the coach who was part of the 206 team that went to the quarterfinal. So no about a former Arsenal player. Or no about to the top level. No about coach. Now no one team your coaching team about do quarterfinal. For me, I'm happy for him. It means that he's the right man. Also by 3 years, the local coach again. He's been able to make sure he eclipses that. He's been able to do that for me is good. But for Chancellor Mbemba, he's shown an extraordinary leadership quality as a player, as a captain.
Another player.
Or no, Chancellor Mbemba na kobo Mohamed Bayo and a penalty no Bayo. And a Bayo share. Or no atamaswa ku kona no. And a onwa esako Billy team 1-1. Na sa 1-1 is so crucial because sa 1-1 no and the ma DRC enya GDS and strongly. Now beyond that, on say they played deep. They disrupted Guinea Fono and make sure say they took control of the game. In one counter-attack move, Young Visa. Brilliant pass to Young Visa. And the pass of Rotio Bongonda. And Julian Jean Vieux, now we a trap player on the trap player 90 or box for the penalty. You have it. But Atamoswaku free kick no. It show the fact that he has experienced plays at the top level and it's his trademark. Mommy West Ham ni Chelsea 2001. Yeah, no need. Sure.
Wow.
So what he scored yesterday, I mean this Adi Otaye. And we're against Mubez goalkeeper Eduardo Mendy.
West Ham against Chelsea,
yeah.
Atam Aswaku.
Yeah.
Amekai.
Edward Mendy.
Yes. Yes. So and look, this goal a phenomenal goal. And so that's it. So, look, in a tournament, set goals a goal out to be shared out of confidence. The swing, the deep of the ball, how look a mark of team down ball with a lot of confidence. And this DRC team, nyomu ye ko be nyina he ufdi omu dia grow aso be oshi. Omu a combative and physical team. And technically very good.
Also bad at top level. So
they have look, Meshach earlier coach Eddie Bar. I'm a balance of the width. Because now another problem. Well, now he has a good and Meshach is a good player. Michael Adam Fona, minim niente Debbie. Banza no ne tipa no. Cedric Beckambo. Minim niente still starting. Even though he should drop Beckambo. Because listen, when he start Banza, it will help him than Beckambo. Beckambo start no name. Penyisem no also do.
Senior player now.
But we a tournament. Your baby a senior player, but you have a player lively. Banza no. Then no so and those players defend the same time. Paul Massem or the Tibet on the nine back. Those are the players. Or pim. So that's the only place I say problem work akra. Now time into Maminko. Tyson Fury is no. You see. First of all, Tyson Fury, any Alexander, Tyson Fury himself, he will lose the bout. I knew he was going to lose the bout. He knew.
It's inspiring us how Shadana.
Well, Egron Skachiki, the guy now, Croatian sparring partner. The point is that for sparring, BBA Timisi, So granted. But in boxing, and in boxing, yetimi arrange so. When the boxer
was such a helmet
and they found.
Hey.
And they found. The challenge with all this, the narrative that is coming from his camp. 1,
okay,
Musi elbow. 2, Musi head or accidental head clash. Jomutina, omuye sparring in a way. And then elbow accidental, then Cecilia Musi uppercut. So 3 reasons. And I'm more for 1 incident. No. The Ring of Fire, I about to know Sheikh Alashik, Teki Alakish, no Saudi Arabia, Penina or Oscar. On what she about we, but unfortunately, Tyson Fury has not been in good condition. Kemo minim so woni papa, what John Fury ni papa eka about the training camp. Ni papa na kasa ko camp kon say camp no enkoyi ono ni papa Tyson Fury papa say camp enkoyi na niema me hu o camp no wan hwe yi a me ba ye bebo no. That's the father John Fury. Ni papa akọ hu camp no say camp here and say camp e bu dent wilder camp ni. This is the father speaking. Now Francis Ngannou 3rd round knockout no Tyson Fury assign you the confidence and the aura say who be and now what I say no oyi fi ho.
I was what the fa baby for crowd. Ne say 1 knockout number 1 free be lose confidence.
Yes, of course.
Because you seeking so Ukrainian na then jump on the crown.
And I know so or kwam or mine there are 2 different things.
Yeah.
O kwam or no you seeking or any skin or kwam or mine
into kwam
or draw mine him and tinani broad we a different from who. Now, this bout is $200 million worth. That is a different ball game. Now, Nientia Obi to say Alexander Krasuk, I had the promoter, any claimers, I had the manager. Omo issue, omo nji way tumuno, way a carton has to do near year last year. Also last year no, Usi koya se pes no sika ebejino. Me meje 30% me 70 be ma.
Bona person bo.
And na odi rematch clause say mu say ye kuna ebia anko ya mamia. And about say o de me jimi odi say mebo. Also jimu odi say mebo mia. I won yan say some for rematch clauses. So it means that or retreat here and no yes say usuru.
Yeah, because to kwena last year.
Me see yan kuno once. Yeah, rematch be no me bu amabo. Also bu mia. O say there be Tyson Fury na cancer o. Etu jihu dias bema. Rima fans me see mebo 4,000 to so mebo. Ozio there be me 500 betus na 500 yan fan share say your kwa be san kubium. Enti wa hwe mo kam otie na mo chwochwo ya. We I can say that's really a coward or be a hufo or slow on your bema. Now this Johe Capetillo, a catman. Boxing catman say be a boxer and NH and any baby.
Yes, empire.
Almost teach almost a palm and tempt in split second almost skill brutal. Capetillo no. Now at the end of the dinner, Sebi within a short time mo jana started say esoti. Or see we better take 90 days. Asana Wahili to 90 days of February. So March, April, May, June. So May. May. Now May no I feel no be share training asi. Do can September. And no credit na chese and
me hwan kan so me boa. Won talk kra na hwan.
Now don't forget say no Tyson Fury Otowale. Tyson Fury Otowale no the honor we 15 stitches pam 15 times. But Tyson Fury Otowale na epaye. So it means that he is vulnerable there. He's having a problem there.
Wow. Because a sparring correct me o say yeah.
Tyson Fury Otowale no only did 47 stitches. Now we Capetillo no kasa on 47 stitches. 47. The same place. If I'm your opponent, good news for me. Anti Adiano ehun me mechanical crash ehun and only good condition. That's free scan at aba to mude aba.
Okay.
And to or chili pa only Paris. Now we Where Frank Warren, Queensbury promotion, or say the promoter for Tasfree. This is what he said.
Sustained a terrible cut today, so it's off and it's postponed. It'll be postponed, and I'm sure in due course we'll be announcing a new date for the fight.
Just so we can get all the facts right, because of course you see the news doing the rounds on social media, and then videos and pictures go up and so on. So it was in sparring this afternoon. Was it who's it that caused the cut, Frank?
It was this morning in sparring. He was sparring with a Croatian heavyweight who caught his eye with his elbow. So I can't tell you how gutted everybody is, and you know.
No, look. Now the danger is that Nipano Musha help me, and he's sparring you. Now nobody me a cut like this. Now in rules of engagement, we are training for world title for Ningawa. Now say sparring partner, we measure. They are giving specific instructions. And yes, some we are too physical, too aggressive. Now they will say a sparring partner bet me are influenced by the opponent to do a damage to you. I don't say parable. Yes, because we know it's not right. Say be a train on any or no for an sparring partner. You try for number of periods or a number of time by span. And the end share and so only one say uko born within this. Okay. By the time you castle mount, met me say compra cremo bar power ni. And oh to but me shambi one different from your own engagement.
Okay, Apostle Mate me that say, whoa, young co breaking them out real quick. Your banner, your baby to us here, ba.
Hey, Sewa, me who watch you. Me na no me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kweku, afeina me beko. Me nkrata krani.
Hey, ene me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanyo chedi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwantu ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do beko mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say e to anase visits so a Express Group do beko Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, anase South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafo Labour roundabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Omo for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Mamisha, time HH heba Mr. Bina unumi. And ya wat dropa. Ya draw say. Mani pedian kwamwano enya hwaden. Na akwatia yare. And train yare and san wakwa kuto. Fire wadro. Nanomno abribia. Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono. Wonwa and the time HH heba Mr. Edia bejaso. Akra wenye mfisia dumienu enumbi. Wopinfo ene oba wama akra nufo enso enumbi. Time HH heba Mr. Ubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers. Any shop dodo na mu.
So pedudo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669. Time HH Heba Mr. Ejadro say FDA adje ejwadie nkratue atum.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why you toothbrush no. Ninya Ashford.
Nah, ninya Ashford dear. Not so evident no way.
Who that the evidence ben? Ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena dey amoku hu. Ashford Princess. And obra could you dey so Ashford Galaxy. What dey na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive. And now media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bow dodomi ye dani bia akwashishaho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. To phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need.
If I shop, I'm sure you're bag.
Brother, and not so good.
What time about Michelle and see about Queen Wayne say?
Bra, said your time about Misha, as your Jimmy fear for any idea about ever so.
Really, do this offering now.
Bra, so me cousin me the time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Misha?
I know go, dear, no matter what to me any deal. What do any time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one ma for down for any aquada when you fear do me and son of the time about Mr. Draven. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3D malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziva, a woman. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to draw namu. FDA aji a judging cratoi at home.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet. In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Partial Daily Jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
Enipa baako pɛ ɛna pam adeɛ hyɛ wo a obia hyia wo a wɔsan hwɛ obie mu ɔnoa ne bafo polo no wasua nkasa ɛna ɔde nimdeɛ no nso yɛ adwuma ɛnti sɛ ɔdwidwi style ɛto hɔ a ɛda hɔ a na ɛhome bafo polo no ɔde Africa print textiles ɛna pam na deɛ bia ɛnti ɔpam Africa print polo shirts, round neck shirts, golf shirts, V-neck shirts ɛne pii ɔpam atufoɔ betu kogu wɔn stores ɛne boutiques ɛnti sɛ wo so wonyɛ adwuma betu bi kɔtɔn na ɔnte so ma wo churches, fan clubs, schools, unions, any a group pia. Muhia dodono. Edema mu members no. Any mu students no. Mumra. Munso amupe Friday wear. Edema mu workers. Bafu polo. Chemo. Our gold package. And on tade no esemu duonu. Silver package. Esemu dunum. And a bronze. Enso semu du. Oye delivery. Eko mama panebe bia. Bafu polo on tade no so. Yeseko be bia. Na wapama ma. Any member nyina. Bafu polo. Ewo kumase ahinema kokobe. Santasi no telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919 and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok and so you at Bafu Polo. Me say so we say Bafu Polo dia. Oh, and you now one share.
Vodafone Ghana. Essa ako telecelu.
Sompa Sports. Sompa FM. Whoa, Yemrana Yemetuaso, Ewofie, live on Sompa 93.1, live on Facebook, and I feel live on Sompa TV. Na Yebefie, na Eraso reps, Ivory Coast, I was say, Yakona, you couldn't come about before. OP, SA, Bomodian Sobe Babaje, wallpapers, every Nasua, wallpapers, Nijano, I am market backward copa, anti Upebiata, Yamomodian Sobe, OP, extra coin, wallpapers, and a blind curtains, or the match dema. Yanama decoration eye kama colors ewom ana designs and so adults nti abrebiano o varieties abetimi choosing from na boa ama dwumedi awodini nyina no and so aye kama ope best lamps biato aye TV backlight ana ope wo ma ring light afi blind curtains ope plastic wardrobes aye center carpet air diffusers and also flowers ope wall clocks and also water fountain and that game ni bi ana to as ope bi etu akoton and also opebi so they are called fear officers no and just props and decoration but be abaso ye ne piano op say men kan cho sahwehwe na kira kwan e wa dum pz nana kwesi agman building na mu na onsabeka no oban hello fm afei chronomon so no barrier on the chrono market no and so edi enimhwe 0540 35 3750 0540 35 3750 op aba just say oye adwumaden kodu fia nwumre na be say oda ya hwe se mattress a woda so no royal foam enso royal foam say yenka cho say wo mu product no papa say wo nompe no ebenya nkwana kase no benya hodin ye na wo court enso enya problem na abrebia no wo be sorry enso agina wo na so a royal foam Ghana limited and I say yenka cho say bra wo benya nkwada na mattress a school for benya mo mattress ya wo king size or queen size afi 1.5 any near you fan a double ni nyina no enso royal foam edie and I was so kona okope bi enso eto ebeboa wo pa ama chese won so wetimi relax na afi waje wahumi ye asukore mampon omo ben ccc bomodi enso obefre 0202 271000 0202 271000 Boris B chicken BBC Boris BC akokon kwadia brana bajibi ewo yaso ye yawo branches ni bi ewo poku trading adum obenya bi ato ewo ho obenya bi ato ewo shell aye Boadi junction oko SG mo enso awo top line so a obenya bi enso ato Bantama High Street nso one Presby asori no ehonso obenya bi ato ho Aswanse market ana Santas runabout yene Unity oil ene di enhwe na sa kukoi eye yankasa Ghana mamu ha ye de na bia na ye nuanom Islami fo no enso prepare ne kama ene aye halal wo bia timi tobi ubetimi atobi e de akwa ye aduane na wo choba ho say ye restaurant o san say ubia jointa enye unkwa na auto aduane no kramofo beto wo bia timi 20 so be ye aduane mo bia so timi atobi a hwewun se nam na wo to no enye haram ne mom aye halal a chese no aye Boris B full chicken obenya Thai obenya chicken wings and I say gizzard ni nyina no obeton bi ama eno wachi o ma ye bi so special and kama odi kofi so ayin kraman no ebetimi anya bi edina fei aboama omo so aye kama pa aye 0544 44 4453 0544 44 4453 now the Boris B and so enkasa Fia Kuko and some and no Fibo Ventures was it you say na M1 and Fibo Ventures one the toothbrush and the toothpaste I hold abejaso na your Ashford Prince and the young kwada dear alpha kwada bema Ashford Princess and so you're from kwada mano your Ashford Evidence Ashford Executive Ashford Friendly and a Galaxy ninano and so a fibu and sano na the toothpaste or the abano obenya peppermint toothpaste or aloe toothpaste or get clear and afre fresh and also a kanwo na and also a herba would you see so dodom chesa wo see a chi and what baby anam kwahihye ne baby anuane kwahihye basa na se em se pra nam enka abo wonum ni nyina no aye Fibo Venture said ne ne babuaw ama won so wonum atimi ahwam na afo wakoni pam basa na wo fa cases anadwo a wo fa ne simple kra awiane anopa nyina amanfo fa cases maza ukwana my class abodi di tuom anya semento akware nyina no sans wonum atie hwam apostle say
Michael
o fa cases
me bonye romantic jai me oh masa ono adwon no
romantic
oh me catch dan we unu say me ade no be
cases going to be fa
oh na ba ko
and you kwena say bia nas kramo fa cases amasa
kramo we o fa cases
eh here ne why fani o kwena Shadrack fa cases
Shadrack na so
o ya be o because as what the never know boss okay as what the never know
next week
what about your time ne go as I say ultra boss say ultra time ne go boss hey boss we don't 2 cities they go feel yeah
Ashford brushes name them what's a more the din bia obi or smoky
oh yes we bet me use we clean am say fine pa
and no be an papa
two bossy Ghana boy na no fa pure mo say apio ni dem say commenty o bo apetes ni wi anajo me pa cho dey true say enkwaya midnight konya na oyere ma onko collapse bia how much dey no bia o say e fa hona no Timistro,
how much you say? Na match boy dem.
What am I say ba on twini say?
Match boy how much?
Oh no, kwa pay yaya. O be hani pa kwa. T 0241 545646 0241545646 and I'll say 0200600394 0200600394. Not just one Fibo Ventures and Perifone and Kasawa Mike Mamma Way.
Fancy, enti ye BM na yedin komo on the AFCON diaries. Now AFCON diaries in Komono was center on Andra 2 games by in the quarterfinal stage, and then the 2 games so once again in the quarterfinal stage. Now as usual, Sompa were 3 credible journalists cover AFCON all the way in Ivory Coast. Michael Akomia Jemfi, Benjamin Ekuokon, Anna Afeso Alasa Mahmoud. Sugar say Andra the idea and into a son agent to see girl no on in the shame or beba back. Into a cancer doctor say sugar beba back. Into sugar say or back on Tinaho.
Okay.
Or Donatin and Isuka crack. Into so background on a girl and beba back or mobile but she's also in Kama doctor and or beba back. And the sugar and some more can inti. You're back connected with them ranting over line so not any or more edding Komoka crack. And big game about for the Ivory Coast national team no Omone Mali airbo enti guys motemenka good morning me mama kwa waso de ba jumedi ene so net is saying no okay hello omo kasabat memente omo kan wa ha bibia so de dem kama nti mo check connection de mamia I think say beboa ma nioma konkan but before so mo beba na Andra Guinea and DR Congo and the after the game na say DR Congo win by 3-1 against a Guinea national team no but when the Guineans lost I think say coach offense say Kaba Diawara o ya de was here bona baso pa the oye ni say o train match ni na by no mo twa nkonka no jino mum finfin no address your Shadrack if that video is available yeah into Kaba Diawara and oma Guinea players no oma a circle around him or address your mo or bo mo abaso say o chale ye free mo de but eku amoko de ma me ne odo amodan de ma o mind ni no eso ani enti e say ye bo mabaso ni ade a enti clearly and also ye ade a e so with a Guinea omo national team no virus mo wa homa no so me pese omo be kire me mu with this particular gesture and how it was well received in the stadium near there. Guys, motimen ka me mama kwa ba beyond the ba jumedi ene so.
Mike Ejoso, I hope say sisi ade muda ho te enka.
E muda ho kama pa, ayese wa pempem no. E muda ho clear bibia ekoso kama. Sa na tie.
Enti na tisa.
Oze. Guinea video na Kaba Diawara jina mfimfi oni Guinea players ni din komo no. Modo maswate teho tie ba ku mienu miense bi dia sempoti na no catch mo and then what was the reaction e wo mo stadium ho na omoso monitor proceedings no
Mike ma yenche tifo ni ahwefo muti Sompa 93.1 na no pay aso hwe Sompa TV everyone na ya ho a esa so ye fa ni se suansre ankebe ode edema Guinea national team no me fi so mo ba mu into this game no mo ahoto so when GSM committee bi a win game we e dey free on na so commentimi am fan kulide an kofi na kwa mo fa so lusu yi ne so no na me say menyo mo fe nti o mo wie game na so maboto kakra ana coach Efeni Diawara o se me ntwen kra mabo nko dressing room ana mo players ni nyina ba center circle ana obegina mfinfin na ahwe the guests ni nkomodie na odi na opese o chiro mo say enya niwo na ya ho ase da bi o matimi abo tournament ni dia du na komo ni da so say since 1976 mo the semi-final of the AFCON no komo matimi abo mo de atimi awuram na komo akwakobo but atimi ambassador mo show mo de their heroes na omo fan kofi they should hold up their heads high there are better days ahead next year ya AFCON for us awo it omo yiro mo no makobo na o ye Guinea fans na em say yeah 3-1 de dodo na akofie de but after game na kakra na ka ho ne kakra bi no omo hu de na coach ni wo finfi on omo we na hwe say ensembo ana omo e de ma coach ni players so mo di duma yi no ma ya de pa ba
things say Kaba Diawara de why so ade adodo na so any beso and it looks like it will continue with the national team but when I mo share game ni be from close range me can say na say momo stadium ho na mo hwe nioma eno so e course so na football no aya na e wo mu nsem obi ani age no na obi wura ho enrade a Congo players ne so na omo ne omo supporters ne so omo ani age they were celebrating with each other Sharagbe boy with that particular video ni ade the mood around the DR Congolese team omo fans omo coach Sebastian de Sab ni ade they ma pick free grounds ne so net saying
Mike Sebastian there once before the game no I don't go bizarre say AFCON yeah boy in a press conference normally almost the day before the match on that day they had their press conference around 1:30-1:45 area there na uteni nkomodi na no didi na o say AFCON we are born na AFCON na shock say ase eketwa na memle akese na wadwuma na be kire so obekọ onima na ase wonko onima it was a huge statement it was a very huge statement it's no be a hwede obeye but Mike let me say this confidently that AFCON we no MC ebetimi akansen bebre be MC ade wo se agitum ne say uni coach a untimi mo AFCON we say enko wanim uni coach a untimi mo AFCON we enko wanim da the setup of the team how was structuring the team against Guinea was one to watch and no be any say omo buy into the game for a draw but I saw say 3 key players within the team Samuel Mutusami One Maswaku and Chancellor Mbemba. He gave them specific duties in the game and in the ruling and then they say Guinea for game. One, Chancellor Mbemba was on 18-year-old Abibu Kamara. Because when someone is very skillful, Osusa 22 years, no one yet didn't or the baby Tino. Then Nwababenya Atamaswaku, whenever they are defending, he acts as the left wing back. Now, what you make sure say, Ma Guinea ain't a lot of crosses into the box like say Omoyeno against Equatorial Guinea. Then Sami Mutusami or the Nejina Navigator so say Navigator Nyabo Biana because Navigator no bit me crab, one bit more progressive ball, one bit more passing more balls. And anytime we are Navigator be able to pass, we are near Hukaka. So need the analysis stop Navigator. It is how conforming and so Mike. I'm telling you yesterday, I watched the game from the stands and I was like, and then Mutusami win the one answer as you who say on Yadi. And then Atamasok win a West Ham could do maybe left back and the say my name Uncle Baby Quatra Baby Fufu. And then Chancellor Memman yes in the carrier berry or Marseille, it will be good. But these guys put in a performance and 3 of them make sure somebody can to Krobia what this particular Guinea team. And once their hero became the villain for them yesterday, on say Bayo and a first goal in the Guinea. But Mike in the game, Bayo was totally Yavan said, "Oh, give me so cry, or my free game cry. Untimi more game the cry." And that was purely tactical from the part of Sebastian. So the began the results and you know, so almost said that more fluid, beautiful football be but Enra they did so well in making sure that these 3 players, in a smart so more tackle ball, they were able to control the tempo of the game, possess so well in their system. Whenever they attack, they go with a 4-2-2-2. Whenever they are defended, they come in with a 3 or 5 back 5-3-2 system. And why more mutimi at the winning game. Guinea had no antidote to this particular encounter by the Congolese. Now, Omobo gave me 3 days. I'm just saying Kadia Congo, a bit more qualified. And I think they've done so well. They've won their first game. No more supporters in the mic. No money did you say game no meeting as a 3 because Guinea supporters now the stadium mean enough. Let's not forget Equatorial Guinea versus Guinea. Stadium Alhassa Ouattara stadium is 60,000. Nipa 36,000. No because I go so be fly. There be Mike. Guinea for no Okroma bebre. Hotel bebre where you go on area has any other thing no imagine na. Na oma maso mo be diago. Iti Congo for na kwaye popotwa kakra bi no mo shem. Now, the way I give for year did they support your team now? You say, eh, never in it. But I brought head going to Mike. As you move Vizela, Nipa bear 5,000 Kakrabino, Omobia baby. O magister do mean now they are fat. Now, Omu your movie stadium or the Aquano. Omobas is no team no. On say, yeah, we are a business stadium, then no more or ya train your bass, not beside the equation. Now, Omu the return movie, eh, Guinea, Omu say Guinea for. Hey, Guineans, better luck next time. So no move with you or Mukem. But they are doing reinforcements. They are going to bring in new supporters by the close of this weekend. Because already before this game, no more supporters bear 450 the card more than almost had the full from the count. I'm doing the same because they know the tournament now they are not going home. Ocean the crowd about 10 and 4th. It's over 3 hours a tournament in the area. It is going to be reinforcement. New flights are going to come in by the close of this weekend, which is Ochna. Maybe Congo supporters for fraud your mind then. Omo base wo kokodi. Eti kokodi ho na omo hye no. Em se nipa do na de obo nkunku for die pa na Mike. Ese woni ese se ka kire. O hwe mama wapa omo kungu for supporters ni mu a. No me so mora. Omo shi jama support omo nation se de bibia ni omo won.
Mate, and that was a very vivid description of the mood of DR Congo fans and our players, no, and the performance and the idea. Meaning, one camera and a capture a pitch invader, no, or be ATC part.
On say, yechemu miedu. Na meme wo Al Hassan Ouattara Sports Stadium. Ana minia Varas any sugar so Felix Ofebwanye. I almost so head the ekoso. Na Mike, you really gave the pitch invader ipa. What tears so for her navigator na set your muso ni muno na video no e chon be ka che say yenya because now it's going to put a dent on the image. Omo didn't real stance in the mic. Hey, so when you say ka kire. Let me say because the men try so be invade pitch. Omo bone pa say bi. Omo lashing the
omo lashing ni we no omo dia no mo ko.
Mike, omo last year omo nya na ma police. Omo do say the volunteers na say ma police for no. Because volunteers ni say so no omo last year nya kakra bia. No mo ja na constance na obo fia na ko wa fa bi.
Omo chi ni say no, ne na kra nsi for mo omo de ne hen wiem sa o sin say wiem na omo de na eko.
Na say the omo two ni real stance di pele no on dey o hangi ho no. Omo le na omo duru ho no omo two ni say na be bi obeto bia no akoto. Because they don't want any situation with them hosting the AFCON. There have been strong warnings. And Mike, before this quarterfinal games, there were strong warnings by CAF that was sent to even journalists. So it should tell you the kind of meeting that went on between CAF and the volunteers and the security. It's not a joke. Because one scene even happened. Tamani or mixed zone, the players were delaying and volunteers for the bao. No mobile, the CAF head of security said they are not supposed to be there. It is not done anywhere. So volunteers no be there will be a mix zone. The fact is so volunteer doesn't even have a chance to come there. All the NSM was stadium inside. You both give Nana more stance in. Now, and yes, I'm to Mike. Back and forth. And a security need in the full trouble picture say or the Omoko Kafo or very poor to Omina and became one or two huge issues. But the tension the room say will Kaf around Mike. These things no go on out with you phone you might be in trouble. I have accreditation for very sign because it's only a brepa, no moody. So you look at even CAF security the volunteers their course. Now imagine what a pitch invader came to do. And Mike, I goes for this. Oh my word, oh my word.
Mame engage Varas o cover Nigeria game no meaning o send videos view of journalist on my stranded. Na say Omaka stadium ni gates nechi. They were trying to access the stadium near there. Minim Varas explanation near there.
The modu ma ya shefo na Sompa FM. Na explanation to that video no say on there before every match. Say CAF will say accreditation is valid and everything our amount. Within the world the year my we put 20,000 and that will be in our but it look match day now, so apply for match day tickets. When a match day tickets now, I see a press conference tickets and that's a mixed Zoom ticket. I want them access to the match venue, back in the media center hall, amount access to for press conference at the mixed Zoom. Only the Asadiano, but if they combine my own. So before the game, one day they are now reapply, now via the accreditation of chair media tickets. But I don't know what the plan amount will be yet because Cameroon in Nigeria match, how you mabros. Emma, so more creative things for them for no crowd. The amount for Betman, whom we are to do an answer from Betman. They wanted to avoid that scenario release activity. So this time around, no me straight. Previously, yes, the two we are no accord, and no accord to do and more you have to do a modest anymore. But this time around, no more in a gate now. saying approve which is a new this one. Among my assets, them are and we look for more approve more. Everyone Nigerians, any Angola for because of next. The general panic down last time to machine because all my more. So being a farmer, they take it in that and to you can idea into a baby 3 hours. We did not get now because they declined yet, but we wanted to have something for some partner for some party for the leader to be there. So hey, in some trouble would not get now, no my Canada. That was the issue. Be a plan with the and now they are bit my room. But what you have to do the idea? What you email next year say you have to go there. No part of deal take it. No, they are going to be a bit my cover mark. No, but car company will only be a key provision because they feel so accreditation. There's no more opportunity to come and work the game. It's almost like a jail let's for. Am I first? It was for Nigerians on fire because almost lay over 100 journalists or more outside now. Yeah, so they felt that I don't mind almost just a woody moment personal pay. Ghana for Cameroon for near one. We got a church with any opportunity to run. But before you were parking near about 17 minutes. About 17 minutes, you didn't want to walk from baby 2:30 now you do said you want to baby 5:17 and only said the animal and so it's or her and wait till call. So but any opportunity now we more or we back no more about it. It has to be the first conference. We have mid Zoom. Now for your point now want to work about so that was the situation and now with Central for and they are there different point here. Master can edit that can allow essentially now and I never go and Central for the Kaka and went to EPA on.
What's the main car? Sugar out the main car. Oh, yeah, Sugar.
Mike.
Aha, see, say the baby them. Also, when call mix zone ho, any players need to come a video more idea. My person over home so near bo Nigeria players na money omudin komono. Yenya Adimola Lukman. Yenya Alex Iwobi and yenya William Trustekong. Players need the omo Dawson. Bakakra na yake kabom no. Yetie we are about Sugar. More questions be sao. Ye we are na about end the game. Enti jina sumame.
Another victory, so yeah, the confidence is growing, so we're continuing as well. Through to the semis now, another task lies ahead of us, and we understand the importance of that. So as a team, we need to be ready, and I'm sure we'll.
Of course, again, we're excited to go through, but we have to remain humble. If we want to win, we have to keep on staying consistent. So, like I said, we're one step closer to our dream. We're going to fight and give everything we can.
Yeah, we believed in it from the start. I think you guys are starting to believe in it now, which is nice. But yeah, I think we have to keep working hard and we have to keep doing what we're doing now. But it's not going to be easy. We have to win the semi-final first. We were here in Egypt before in the semi-final. We lost last minute against Algeria in 2019. And I know how that feels. And I don't want to feel that again.
Fancy, when here, Nigeria players, no?
Okay.
Yeah,
Ademola Lukman, you can buy.
Now, me person Sugar boy, Sugar Sasso Brabion. O video more kasa omoye weni na no o geji Nigeria players ni mood anet sen ana omanya confidence bi se tournament o betimi akwaje ana
Mike Mayama Embra Abidjan Cote d'Ivoire AFCON 2023 yes Embra mix zone virus adi kan Embra nipa be but sini na your for so say you be from near Koya Juma. Right, our mix zone, 3 seconds. And you need to come on. You can design say, or share Sterling Wabilia. Now say, only need 8 didn't corner say, or ye or social actions be then and now okay. And or just say, Sterling Wabili, a keeper beer or money than a song. Game no, I'm going to be not come on Koya, never say would delay. Nti no koya onane ko kasa se onya botre na game no yembondru be bia nti onene din komo ekoya nti Stanley Wabili so e bae e ma no so din komo e mo no so ka the same thing say omani abre wo hwe Nigeria man na ache e na omaji AFCON no e na omoba no nipo bebre ani ndo omo so say ombetimi age because omobo qualifies no mo bre omobo friendly matches kura omani team bi say Zambia mo no mo show mo nti no omuba tournament we na nipa bibire ni gidie but o hwe bebi a omako aba beduru a trophy ne de e was omoje semi-finals ye bi so omo say omuhia Senegal ana amuhia South Africa ana say Cape Verde omo say ye mo mumbo sa game ni wi nto mu do mo e ready e na o hwe omumudu amudi betwa mu make zone as a boys no different energy di aba be room mu because already game na chance omo first game a omo na Equatorial Guinea e board draw no now say vim no aba from but after say omo team share Cote d'Ivoire ebe share eye Cameroon no ama boys no no omo din ko hwe mo anim as vim omo ba serious owo mo anim Ademola Lukman and Brazil ye bizane say as a tournament we a tournament no say yes enyo no ko place ni nyina e no makom ho abom mo din komo na mo Ahmed Musa so wa omo dressing room no omo kasa wo ye mistake of fraud no ni din komo ntino omo do mo ready say tournament no semi-finals omo dru na so mo bo final trophy no e adom beje e da ko Nigeria because Nigeria mani nyina ani do mo so be yes e on be ko e da Nigeria na fe trophy no omo timi age e da ko Nigeria mai.
Beautiful. Inti na se mrante miense ye de omokwa Ivory Coast no edwuma omo ye no machichem kama we cover na we cover. But my member also be one on fans ni nyankita hodie. But before that no ma yembo fans no reaction ni ade more questions ba ko mienu miense bibisa ye wia. Why? O de gina so ma me. Inti we akọ fans no any more reaction after Nigeria's win.
Angola. See the match?
Fantastic.
Are you guys taking the trophy after this win?
Yes. We are going to come on with the cup. Osimhen, we are going to win the Nigeria.
Nigeria is winning.
I learned to an Ivorian. Are you sympathize with Nigeria?
Yeah, I'm sympathizing Nigeria. It's a big country, so a big nation of it's a big nation of the soccer. So I'm there.
You cannot be with the Nigerian, so beautiful Nigerian ladies, and not be a Nigerian boy. So now he's a Nigerian boy. You have to give him a new name, Lasisi, Lukman, or something.
What do you suggest we name him?
Ojo Femi there. So now the new name is Femi guy.
You think Nigeria, you guys are taking the trophy back home?
You said?
Are you taking the trophy home?
Of course.
Fancy, where the course of us Nigeria fans no. Ivory Coast ni bemo, the country omo. And I'm not converting or much country nagu. Virus, what the brave virus come out in Ivory Coast right now in Yakita, we didn't almost almost friend the femino. Interaction net to say on him girls in that and also be almost stadium.
When you are Jose Olu Bujene by. Na the call for no money now. Money must be room. Man come out. Or the mammy asked me.
Oh, really?
Or the mammy asked me. Then you know, when I sent me, man, over. Some 500 over interview. We are just interview with the Nyak but you will be. But for us, because we are the Nigerians, my money was converted from Ivory Coast. Or not end up supporting Nigeria because of the money. It is honest. The football over any a man and to make my man. I do have been a run and introduce your opinion.
Yeah, some power. And run the obedient in the Junior Power because we say, I'm in Saint James and I hold you back on number.
Now, that's the idea. I would be able to do it because over here, the man, but we have been pleased that I will do it. Why I can go back in our sports.
Now, sugar, the OGB won't.
The sugar, I mean, you don't know who I am. But me, that would be an hour.
Oh, you are sugar.
And yo,
and Ivory Coast against Mali. The general mood in town and saying, Akomia, why is silent? What's the general mood in Abidjan ahead of Ivory Coast Mali?
Mike, let me say the general mood is in the Ivory Coast for Nankasa, no money Mali for Nankapra. Omonka kra. On say Ivory Coast no war relationship with some francophone countries. A bit to say Guinea, a bit to say Burkina Faso. Iti tamana Burkina ne Mali bono. Baby abefe bia no. Ivory Coast for no mo TV ni nyina pese Burkina for ne se. Iti ohwe oma ho keka ne bibia abra o mu lusu nyina. Na eso mo ni se emfa. But the beba game high so ko ne se. Omo bo game we Boake. Boake is closer to the northern part of Ivory Coast. Na Mali for no ben sa boda ne kakra wo that side. Iti dodo na awuramu ba ho e be game no. I'll be very surprised if they don't have a full stadium between Mali and Ivory Coast in the first place. And there's also supposed to be a level of tension between the two of them because Mali is Mali for kakra. And Mali for the French no more Canada or no money or moon said bako. I say Felice more of France. Ivory Coast for the Felice or more life near more of French for the France for because Oko baby a friendly plateau. Plateau on a the creative I hope be at say Paris. Almost socket to say so they feel quite different from the Malians. It's a rivalry game between two francophone countries. Now because for now fully determined, they're very determined. Said Mike and Omar Shoma, MSC, and they are so confident in making sure at the end of the day. Almost a bit much results.
All right, guys. Madam, I say, and then the Juma Mabo, and then subsequently, Yanko Poya, the Mamande Aba, you have some wedding community at was in Tiakomia, Varas, and a sugar. Yeah, I say, Mobile, and
Martiminia, catch a bobby run and say, Ye dear, Tekena, bring to your family here, wherever.
Oh, Debbie says, Ye Namna Namori. All right, fancy, where are guys in Ivory Coast, or more coverage on the AFCON national song. AFCON broadcast near the break ye team for near no a time herbal mixture madama and a dane ye coverage no and so ebana time herbal mixture ne exclusively for body pains ohonam ya and no bia na oboboma bibia ko ye dia ma malaria edu nya a time herbal mixture na face so untimi ndidi wenum entos wa onum aduro na ete wenum ema wutimi edidi esanso edidi na bibia ekoye de ma na ye time HH mixture and capsules no exclusively ebi ansanse egu oba ama atinka ekaboni bia ba wa sanso nya atinka time HH mixture and capsules no eboa etimi saw yare ehyensa na se na ema bibia so koye nti wa himfie ho a eho kama ana be ma no so koku don soro no ade a cure from any STI bia wa kwakote ema bibia toto ye nti time eba mixture ne de ye bubobi no near the HH mixture and capsules no and so can free 0244 417669 0244 417669 na frɛ na oni mpenifonya nkita so sɛ ne be ya obetimi etubi no aton na o pebi so ato a dodo na no ewo eye pharmacies ene herbal shops a eno ebuso ewo Ghana it's my kitchen restaurant e da no medina ha de me catch one say aduane e de ana fa aduane e hote tasty and then also healthy food no mo ye aduane ni mu bebre na local dishes banku fufu emutuo de opebia won sabeka afa so continental dishes no won sabeka ni na it's my kitchen fried rice jollof no and na make catch say a chain funeral jollof won say yase jollof na de but it's my kitchen there no the say yase jollof and to betime nye before occasion bi a wo ye say your wedding engagement birthday party or person serving you no wase a fa order no fa koma it's my kitchen omoje pe omba bibia kama de amount ebia o party na wo ye kra no uni space a be ye wo ho a it's my kitchen space ne so obeje wo no wo no na wasanso aye momaduane ma bibia koye Wednesdays ne Thursdays a special promotion Wednesdays ne pizza Wednesday o to pizza ba ko ye che ba ko Thursday banku ne tilapia promotion o to banku ne tilapia ma pack ba ko enso e de account it's my kitchen there ne hwehwe enye yira kwan baba yara stadium eno eye kumase he ya traffic light ne nchemu ana obehu is my kitchen restaurant and frɛ 0265707070 number na de tie ne bio netro 0265707070 mo no mo boa e madane dane ye de AFCON coverage no enso e de bro ntima me jemu fama na catch penyi fire to aso
wo bafu polo so e mount ade pa ama wa share my catch say yawa the baby and apostle enso ahwe no mount African print polo shirts African print golf shirts African print round neck shirts and African print free neck shirts ni nyina no oba to me share bema to me show ye made ye mema de wo be wedding engagement photo shoot ni nyina no contact bafu polo e ba no gold packager shirt no yɛ maako 20, silver shirt no ɛyɛ 15 and a bronze shirt no ɛyɛ maako 10 ɛfɛ ana ɔtɔ no boase dwu ɛma kɔ yɛ ultimate ko program BRB wɔwɔ ɛyɛ ahenema kokɔben odo ani kyerɛ ɛyɛ kotwi ɛne kyɛsɛ ɔboase kwan no so no ɛyɛ 0249600789 0249600789 Express Group ɛsɛ next for no ɛne kyɛsɛ doctors amobɛsɛ mokɔyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ US ɛne Canada school for ambɛsɛ motoa so ɛwɔ abrokyire anaasɛ mpo woyɛ wɔyɛ university wobɛsɛ your masters abɔmmɔden sɛ scholarship no bɛba bɛhu Express Group ɔmbɛgye bi ɛnso ama visa ɔmoboa mo agye ɛba ne ticket no ɔmbɛyɛ ama afei tɔ anaasɛ holidays ana abɛsɛ wokɔ nso ane nyinaa no Express Group ɛnso ɛbɛboa mo ɔmbɛsɛ motu kwan ɛkɔyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Canada, US ana UK nyinaa no Express Group ɛnso ɛbɛsupporto na ɔmode wakɔ ama yɛ adwuma nyɛ schedule gubu tom kroma ɔmo asafo liberal and about afei encry ɔmo wɔ Kanachi First Light ana Tema Community 18 Lashibi Goy filling station hano wonsa ɛbɛkɔm yɛ no wafrɛ 0249000448 0249000448 na kyɛ when the Express Group and so on the 10th of this month nyame next week Saturday anopa no nsia na kyɛ Liberty Conference February edition deɛ no baso ɔman hene yɛ ɔdubuache ana dwumadie esi ne na so right the vision ayɛ Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 2 a kyɛ we no enso ayɛ dwumadie ɛba so anwotofo no Minister Kwame Jedu ɛba se escape from Paul ana Mabel Otre enso Liberty Conference February edition next week Saturday 6 a.m. Glory, hallelujah. Apostle, my memory away.
Fancy, the American say 18th of February. Barbara Sports Stadium. Only also His Excellency, the former president, Yeshen and Unyam.
That's right.
John Ajekum Kufo, Yeshen and Unyam.
So as a prosper, I take Maxwell one and Maxwell so share. Maybe the camp balance and how.
Yes.
Meba be showa jukuru wana
and also boa boa see no nema mahihye na ehu time ba sa che nema sesa yeah so niame kan say say ye nyina ye make sure say on the 18th aye ochina 2 weeks Barbara Sports Stadium mampeni dada kufo ne ye shine ne onyam
JA Kufo Cup 2024
yeah na ne omne say better logistics top shipping company wa Accra. So better logistics at 1,000 tickets TBA.
Wow.
Or Accra 1,000 tickets. Me expect say omo sebi omo present kofa abo omo so enim near present kofa ya abo man no. O pese auto tickets. 2,000 Ghana cedis echo. O the chen from about 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. Be the number to you.
Okay.
Contact me on 0244 43
99
45 number for more ticket from 2,000 the above former president Kufo
so be to ticket every 2,000 Ghana elko now the aboa president former His Excellency J Kufo Cup na
for the
number ni biem
0244 43
99
45 Pacho
45
mo ye kremu amuntimi to take 2,000 a month pacho number my friend wadaroma nti me
okay well nas yemfa course no kakra na afi yen sorry so ema dwumadi aka na nyina mra 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 hello caller.
Hello. What God?
Yes sir.
Mami tell no be your phone we take for you now.
Yes you.
Me dano top one no bit na say me minister ba ko fe. Me dey the bank na. For God, kaka make an say empay for an answer